The word F is used 55 times in the book. नाराजगी थी क्या था that you had to do this?
That's the tone I can take. And that's the tone which should happen between two friends when you've had a glass of wine, I've had a glass of wine. The tone of the conversation that happens then has to be the tone of the book.
5 common mistakes that everybody is bound to make.
You need to work with a bad boss, you need to work with a bad culture. Go through a highly politically charged environment. Lala company mein kaam kar lo. And at 28, you're not that expensive as a human resource.
Correct.
Also, right? We have nothing to lose, right? So like, theek hai, kya ho jayega? Like 6 months, 12 months, we'll get somebody else. But those were horrible 6-12 months for me. I think luck can be engineered. Luck is a very misunderstood concept. जिसको हम कहते हैं good luck, मेरा तो luck खराब चल रहा है आजकल. But in a professional context, it can be engineered. There's this new tool that I saw. Let me take a pro subscription. Let me fiddle around in the next 15-20 minutes. कुछ बना के देखता हूँ, कुछ तो आएगा. I think that quality of being able to act on your curiosity is just such a gift. The person who acts on their curiosity is the person with non-linear outcomes.
अब मजा आएगा. Hello and welcome to the PVT Show podcast. Well, he is the mind who studies why we buy, why we actually hesitate, and why so many people who are talented just stay invisible in organizations. A rare strategist who understands identity as deeply as influence and the behavioral wiring that shapes every choice we make. Well, author of 2 bold bestsellers, Who the Are You and the Psychology of Marketing. He challenges how we see ourselves and how the world actually sees us. Well, the man I'm talking about is Harinder Singh Pelia. So if you have ever felt unseen, unheard, or let's say underestimated in your organization, or simply curious about why people think, buy, or choose and follow, this conversation may just change the way you show up in the world. Let's go and meet Harinder.
Hi, my name is Harinder Singh Pelia. I'm the author of Who the Are You? I'm on the PVT Show podcast. Excited to talk to all of you.
Hi Harinder, welcome to the
Hello.
PVT Show.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing amazing and very excited to finally talk to you. I was telling you right before this, I've been looking at a lot of your episodes and like more power to what you and the entire team do.
Thank you for giving us views. How was your travel? Thank you for coming all the way from Bangalore for doing this for us.
Very excited to do this and good travel. I always love coming to Bombay. I miss living here. I lived here for a while, but I miss the city quite a lot. I love the city a lot.
Ab maza aayega. Now that I know that there is a Mumbai fan sitting with me. Harinder, tell me one thing. I was looking at your profile and everything. We'll come to the work and everything else aside. But born and brought up in Delhi,
Yes.
Mumbai,
Yes.
Bangalore.
Yes.
Is there any city that, you know, all top cities done?
Yeah.
Plan क्या है?
अभी my Aadhaar card has a Bangalore address. So अभी मैं बोल सकता हूँ I'm proper Bangalorean. So I've set up Anchor. But of course you love Delhi, right? Because you're born, brought up, you went to school there and everything. But I haven't lived there in the longest time. Bombay is like a love affair. Right? मतलब जो लोग कहते हैं एक बॉम्बे का जो रोमांस है तो वो भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है which was fantastic. And I love to keep coming back every month or so, and I love to go back to those Parsi bakeries and मतलब वो पूरा I do the entire all the touristy things all the time, and I think Bangalore is a phenomenal city. I've been here for 5 years, but it was just love at first sight. Everything about that city. Traffic तो चलो हर जगह खराब है, but everything about that city is just brilliant. मतलब I love it. मतलब it may not be for everyone, but I really love it.
You want to tell me in 2 lines what is so good about the city?
Yeah, every conversation about Bangalore has to start with the weather.
हाँ.
It is just unfair how good the weather is. Unfair. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा
Even
फर्क
after
है.
all the traffic that happens.
हाँ, so if you are privileged to live in a high rise, तो आप balcony में जाके you'll see less of the traffic and more of the weather. So that's a good space to be in, and I think it's got the right balance between being a hyper big city like a Delhi, Gurgaon or a Bombay, and not a very small city. There's a good energy and a vibe to it. There's a lot of people building stuff. So वहाँ even a 19-year-old
We'll talk about building something.
We'll talk about building something. We'll talk about ambition and AI and maybe उसके पास हो भी ना कुछ, right? अगर नहीं भी है, but जो ambition है, that energy is infectious. So a lot of people say कि बैंगलोर की हवा में कुछ है. I feel कि maybe बैंगलोर की बिरयानी में कुछ है. कि because everybody there just ends up just getting infected by the energy of the young people around you and everybody with high ambition. So I love that.
No, I get that. So whenever I have also traveled, I think from airport to everywhere, you will see somebody talking about, that is there in the air. I believe.
Yeah, it is.
I really want to say this is, and I'm showing it, breaking the fourth wall and showing it to the audiences. This is the book that we will be talking about.
Yeah.
मैंने पढ़ी है, on the way हूँ, 199 pages precisely. In precisely 55 pages, first line, the word F, and everyone knows what I'm saying because that's the title, is used 55 times in the book. नाराजगी थी, क्या था that you had to do this?
Yeah. And that page that's the disclaimer page which I wrote, and Penguin wanted me to write a disclaimer page. I was like, ठीक है मैं लिख दूंगा. I don't want to write a disclaimer page, but if legal wants me to write a disclaimer page, but मैं लिखूंगा मेरे स्टाइल में. जैसे मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, right? So anyways, I just sneak this in, and I think a lot of, I saw even on Reddit, people had shared images of just that page. That's helping the book a lot, which is amazing. नाराजगी नहीं है यार. I think when two friends sit down, there's a certain flow to a conversation. There's a certain authenticity and nakedness to a conversation, right? जो language आप use करते हो कहीं कहीं formalized नहीं होती, sanitized नहीं होती. कहीं कहीं rough होगी, कहीं कहीं you'll use slang, कहीं कहीं you'll use slightly riskier words, right? When you're with friends. So like, I am nobody to write a self-help book. I am very clear about this, right? कि मैं ज्ञान देने वाला कोई भी नहीं हूँ, right? मेरे से क्यों लेगा कोई? But I can maybe, for somebody who's reading the book, can be, okay, I tried a few things, I put them down in a book, and I want to see how you feel about it, right? That's the tone I can take. And that's the tone which should happen between two friends when you've had a glass of wine, I've had a glass of wine, thoda sa inhibition aapka kam ho gaya hai. So that, the tone of the conversation that happens then has to be the tone of the book. Otherwise, there's just too much gyan out there, yaar. Usme main add nahi karna chahta tha. It just needs to be an authentic conversation. And when I'm talking to my friends, there are certain words I use.
Yeah.
So agar main actually authentic hu, I will retain that tone and I will not change anything when I'm writing a book. मैं उसको formalize या उसको dress up नहीं करूँगा.
Dress up नहीं करोगे, that's the point. So now we are trying to achieve that in the pod also, right?
I really appreciate it.
Yes. I think this is a very beautiful read. मज़ा आया पढ़ के. And I also learned so many things. I actually want to begin with the conversation that will first start with from where the story is beginning. Like, first book of yours, which was also bestseller, Psychology of Marketing.
Yes.
And now this.
Yeah.
My very simple, how I'm trying to put this and give a picture to your life is, if you can start hardcore marketer, you've worked with the brands that people are always dreaming about working with.
Like yourself, so.
Thank you. And I'm not trying to understand कि दिमाग में क्या लोचा हुआ था. I'm trying to understand when you started your career.
Yeah.
What were the 5 things that you were comfortable in your life with?
Yeah.
And what were the 5 things that you were little not comfortable, not from a learning point of view or challenge point of view, but ये मुझे discomfort करता था when I started my career, and ये मुझे I was comfortable with.
Yeah, I think when you pass out of any business school, the issue is that when marketers pass out of business school, they have a very weird, contrived picture of what marketing is. Marketing learning, to actually, I'm sure for you also, it would have been the same. Starts when you're actually on the job.
Absolutely.
And a large part of that is unlearning what you actually learned in B school. It was very similar for me. From an attitude perspective, I think what happens is when you pass out of a B school, and if you made the mistake of doing well in a B school, right, somehow, so then you come into the workforce feeling 10 feet tall and bulletproof. कि यार मैं तो invisible, मतलब invincible, कि I have all the answers, इस brand की तो fortunes मैं change कर दूंगा. So with that confidence, sometimes you come into as a management trainee and very quickly you realize कि भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कि you have to start from zero. So one of my first experiences, I was a management trainee at an air conditioning company. और मैंने अप्रैल में ज्वाइन करते हैं लोग, मार्च में कॉन्वोकेशन होती है, अप्रैल में ज्वाइन करते हैं. सो AC की ad आती है April, May, right? Like those big print ads. This is back in the day when print was still print, right? And social media was just Orkut. So प्रिंट एड के नीचे ना एक डीलर पैनल होता है where you have Ganesh Electronics phone number and then ABC Electronics phone number. My first job was to just check the Excel sheet and just figure out all the phone numbers are correct or not. Right? So I was like, yeah, I was coming in to do strategy and right? You have this inflated ego when you come in, right? When you start your career. And then there are all of these humbling experiences.
Correct.
But then you feel yaar कि नहीं यार वो चाहिए. You need all of those humbling experiences because even if one digit on one number is wrong, it's a potential loss of sale. For
Correct.
some ASM sitting in some city, then you realize कि यार नहीं ego से काम नहीं होगा. So I think that's the first dissonance. You feel you're very comfortable about what you think is marketing knowledge. You're very comfortable about who you are, but you realize कि यार नहीं life बहुत different है. And I think across the board every management trainee has that experience. Mine was no different. And start of the career, I think the volume and density of mistakes needs to be higher. तो मेरा भी बहुत था, बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब
This is
tons
very
of
important.
mistakes.
Huh. So, common mistakes, like, 5 common mistakes that everybody is bound to make.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
What I'm trying to understand is those 5 mistakes everybody is bound to make, and everybody should know that it is not just you. You are supposed to go through this,
absolutely, yeah. I think some initially when you think any ego deflating exercise, like the one which I gave, that is very important for you. कि पहले पंचर होना चाहिए कि आपको ये हवा बाहर निकल जाए कि ठीक है अब शुरू करते हैं आपकी मार्केटिंग की लर्निंग या जो भी whichever field you're in. That's very important. The second kind of experience, I think you need to work with a bad boss at some point in your career.
इसकी बात करते
वो जितना जल्दी हो जाए वो उतना आपके लिए बेटर है. You need to work with a bad boss. You need to work with a bad culture. So I say this. So people say कि यार so now we work in hiring and everything. So a lot of people ask कि यार X company का culture अच्छा है या नहीं अच्छा है. I was like यार you need to get this out of the way. You need to understand how to navigate a bad culture. Right? और जितना जल्दी करोगे लाइफ में, जितना जल्दी you burn yourself, the better it will be for you. Because if you are ever placed in a bad culture, and things will start getting more and more political as you keep getting senior and senior, right? That happens to all of us. If you learn how to navigate a bad culture or a political environment, आप जल्दी करोगे, it will help. Because the more senior you get, the proportion of competence to politics, the ratio will keep getting changed with every level, and politics will keep getting more and more and more important. So जल्दी सीख लो. Just start doing
For
all of those
everyone's
things.
understanding, politics मतलब stakeholder management, right?
Stakeholder
हाँ,
management.
ठीक है.
No, it can be. See, I feel wherever there are human beings, वहाँ politics है.
Correct.
Like मेरी मम्मी की किटी पार्टी वाली टीम में बहुत politics है. मतलब उनकी will they have very solid likes and dislikes and cliques and power struggles and उधर भी बहुत हो रहा है, right? So in any organization, even if there are more than 2 people, तो politics तो होगा, right? The sooner you realize how to navigate it and use it to your benefit, ये मेरे को realize करने में बहुत time लगा. So that's one mistake which I feel a lot of people should make earlier. Go through a highly politically charged environment. लाला कंपनी में काम कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Do a startup, work in a tough environment, work with a tough boss, and take it as a challenge कि यार if I can navigate this person, तो फिर तो मैं किसी को navigate कर सकता हूँ. So that every subsequent boss later looks like a bonus, looks like child's
happy
play.
feeling.
हाँ, कि यार now the boss will not get into my way. I will do whatever I want. My velocity is a function of my competence.
True.
Boss अभी दिक्कत नहीं कर सकता because tough bosses मैंने देख लिए हैं अभी लाइफ में. So I think those are mistakes which should happen earlier on for a lot of people.
You're making a very important point. अब bosses की बात ही कर रहे हैं तो I'll have to wear my glasses because font is. You start your book to all the bosses who looked past us when opportunities knocked. To all the influencers who built careers on our insecurities. And to all the personal branding gurus who made this feel like rocket science.
See the next line. It says, screw all of you. Basically,
F you all. We'll do it our way. ये confidence कैसे आया, कब आया? I want to exactly you to tell me what is the timeline of when you started thinking. किताब तो बाद में आई है. Like,
yeah. No, I think we all take a lot of time to understand कि progression in professional life is not correlative to competence. वो आपको लगता है कि फेयर प्ले है बट फेयर प्ले होता नहीं है, राइट? वो बहुत धीरे धीरे आपको रियलाइज होता है कि देयर आर सो मेनी अदर फैक्टर्स इन गेटिंग यू हेड इन लाइफ एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली योर हार्ड वर्क विच विल गेट यू हेड इन लाइफ. समटाइम्स यू नीड टू बी विजिबल, समटाइम्स यू नीड टू बी पॉलिटिकल, समटाइम्स यू नीड टू सी वेयर द विंड इज ब्लोइंग. बहुत सारी देयर आर मेनी नॉन मेरिटोक्रेटिक थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी गुड एट.
Should we deep dive into this?
Absolutely. Let's go for it. So I think after a couple of I initially had the opportunity to work in Micromax, right? And Micromax at that point in time was just killing it, right? They were doing very well, and I remember when I joined, पहले महीने में केक कटा था because they had overtaken Samsung in that quarter.
Okay.
So they were
Big
doing
deal.
super well, right? For an Indian brand to be doing all of that and with large equity still with the founders. And then I saw it also falling off a cliff as quickly. राइट सो वो रिंग साइड सीट्स में आपको दिख रहा है कि लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, मार्केट शेयर खत्म हो रहा है, ट्रेड में माल फंस रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? that those are places when you then start thinking yaar, कि your hard work and input is not the only factor. There's so many other factors in success, right? How many people do you need to keep happy, engaged? You need to make your boss look good, especially if the environment is such that everybody is feeling insecure and the company is going to the company is not doing well. So I think I got some initial glimmers कि यार I need to appreciate more what I thought was what I thought कि यार ये सब मेरे से नहीं होता. हाँ कि you know when we're young and we feel कि यार this is a very political environment, मेरे से ये सब नहीं होता. I was very same and I'm sure so were you at the initial phases of your career, and then you realize कि नहीं यार game तो देखो यही है. मतलब if you are in a field of humans.
Asking me, मेरा तो बहुत late हुआ, and then I completely agree with you when I say ये जल्दी हो जाना चाहिए.
Absolutely.
The later it is, you are going to be in disbelief in your own life ki, and then you get into that victim mentality ki, oh, this will happen to me.
And the stakes are higher. You are more expensive. There's more to lose. If you're a kid,
you will just jump over it.
Even if you take time to jump over it, there are many more options for you, right?
Yeah.
But if you have a bad boss and you have an EMI and you have old aging parents or you have kids, बहुत difficult हो जाती है. That's why I said make those mistakes earlier. If you make those mistakes earlier, I made a lot of those mistakes earlier where I realized कि यार now the penny is dropping in my head कि यार okay, how does the entire how do I need to do in non-work areas to ensure that my work shines through. And then of course then I moved on to Reliance, and Reliance is a very different kind of a setup. Extremely meritocratic, right? Like every organization, Reliance is also very political, but very meritocratic. So I think Reliance में कभी कोई pretense नहीं होता. उसमें ये है कि if you're making money for us, then we'll make sure you're paid top of market. It takes time to break into the inner circles. It's not for everybody. That's what I say. But if you do a few things right, then there's no company which will bet as quickly for you. Like I was 28 when I was heading marketing for a full brand, right? वो opportunity नहीं मिलती है आपको.
Correct.
So but they realize कि यार we just care about making a lot of money, so we'll bet on people who help us do that.
I want to come in here. When somebody is that new in the system, and suddenly you are like trying to shine all over. A, you are running the risk of making your boss feel little insecure.
Yeah.
And B, if the management is good and meritocracy is there, it exists, then of course you will shine and you will be spotted. This guy is the one who gets the job done.
Yes.
Strategy sab kar sakte hain. We all are gurus. You know, I have seen in fact interns who come and say, I have joined for strategy. You know, na?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Execution कौन करेगा?
मतलब मेरे को तो all the time that I've worked, I've never had a strategy role. मेरे को पता ही नहीं strategy role होता क्या है. Like I've always had an execution job. My bosses have had an execution job. I'm sure Mr. Ambani and Bezos also have an execution job. Strategy पता नहीं कौन कर रहा है other than McKinsey consultants, right? So मतलब I want to be informed about this, but anyways, but I'm glad you brought this up, right?
So let's go back. I want you to go back to the same thread where you said that, you know, you were picked up as a star fast. At 28, you were doing this. What is it that you did different?
Yeah, I think I wouldn't want to give myself too much credit. Like somebody took a bet. कि यार चल देखते हैं कैसा जाएगा, right? We have nothing to lose, right? And at 28, you're not that expensive as a human resource also, right? So like ठीक है क्या हो जाएगा? Like 6 months, 12 months, we'll get somebody else. Those were horrible 6-12 months for me. Let me be very honest. Because the thing is, you move from X industry to Y industry, and I was moving into fashion, right? Which is an industry I had no clue about. कि यार ये कैसे चलती है? And fashion is a very different, like it's a very different ball game altogether.
Different animal.
So and when you're coming in and you're inheriting a team, they expect कि okay कि नया बंदा है, he or she will bring their own answers. But then you're also learning from scratch. Na? You're also a young kid, like just trying to figure it out. And sometimes, while your boss may have the patience to give you time to settle in, your team will be like, "Ki nahi, I want direction today." But your team has been doing fashion for 5 years and
Do
10
you
years and
play
everything.
poker?
No, not much.
Okay. In poker, we have one step that is called as check.
Hmm.
If you are inheriting a team,
Yeah.
every step they will.
Hmm.
Did that happen?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think that was one big people management experience for me where I felt कि that's where you realize, right? कि there were many things that I had to do, right, in that particular stint. Number one is this is the first time that I was heading a marketing team, which means you are reporting to a non-marketing person, which is a big change, right?
Yes.
Because as if you're reporting to a non-marketing person, you don't only have to do marketing, you also have to sell marketing. कि this is what this will do, which is something that you've never done, right? You've always executed or thought of a campaign or done something like that. So now you have to talk about यार ये करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा. You have to have those conversations also. So that was new. And the thing is, when you have complex people management experience, then you figure out यार कि you have a responsibility for everybody in your team. That's a basic tenet that all of us understand. But what I took time to understand is that सबकी motivations अलग है. Right? For example, if you might be grooming somebody for a promotion, you might think you're giving that person an opportunity and you're mentoring that person and that person will move up. Maybe usko nahi chahiye promotion. Maybe they are happy in that phase of life to have a chill job, to do bare minimum. Maybe they have a new baby, maybe whatever else, right? So by pushing them for a promotion, you're actually doing a disservice to their career.
Correct.
So those were some things in my head which I was like, yeah, okay, this person is younger or older to me. But at their life stage, the ambition or drive which I had may not necessarily be the same which they might have. They might come to work for a very different objective.
Correct.
And I think that took me time to realize that now all these people, if there are 10 people in your team, now all 10 of them will have different drives and motivations to come to work. So आप एक स्टाइल नहीं कर सकते. आपको 10 स्टाइल चाहिए. Because for the returning from mat leave mother, there's a very different manager that you need to be to the person who has just passed out of B school with an ego. So you need to be 10 different managers. वो adjustment में मेरे को बड़ा time लगा. वो बहुत trial and error हुआ. So I just said the first year was horrible for me. कि मेरे को लगा कि यार I am out of my depth. कि new industry, new team management experience. But somebody had taken...
What drove you?
यार टू बी ऑनेस्ट वेरी फंक्शनली ऐसे हो गया कि यार अभी बोरिया बिस्तरा लेके अगर आ गए हैं
तो करना ही है.
तो थोड़ी देर करके देखते हैं, राइट? टू बी ऑनेस्ट. और ऐसे नहीं है कि लाइक आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कि ऐसे नहीं है कि वो टाइम पे मैंने मतलब जॉब साइट्स खोल के नौकरी नहीं देखी थी. 100% देखी थी. लाइक यार ठीक है ये नहीं चल रहा, लेट मी जस्ट गो बैक एंड डू समथिंग एल्स. बट एट वन पॉइंट ना इट जस्ट ड्रॉप्ड इन माय आई नहीं यार आई हैव कम हियर, नाउ आई लिव व्हेन आई वांट टू. कि and that's when that realization came यार कि ठीक है the game is different but I have to learn how it is played here because I know at some point I'll need to do these uncomfortable things. अभी कर लेता हूँ, बाद में शायद नहीं कर पाऊँ, या बाद में शायद अगर मैं ना करूँ तो उसके stakes या consequences will be dire.
Much higher than.
Yeah, so I was like might as well do it right now. So I was like okay, now I will not leave. Now I will leave when I'm on top. I ended up staying for many more years after in that company, and things started flipping very quickly, which means things started working out very quickly. But it takes a lot of heartburn to be able to persevere through all of that. But I think there was selfishness. ऐसे नहीं था कि brand बहुत बड़ा बनाना है या ये करना है या वो करना है. It was just that यार कि I want to learn how to navigate a tough situation.
Now that you have worked for A type of a brand
Yeah.
and B which is a big brand already.
Yeah.
You know? So when you are with a large brand, you are not going there to change the fate of the brand or
Yeah.
you know make it big. It's already big. क्या कर लोगे आप? तो वहाँ पर your thinking has to be very different.
100%.
So you want to help me and the viewers, you know, हमारा audience भी ज़्यादा करके by the virtue of from where I come is corporate.
Yes.
For most people, it is very difficult to even fathom and understand कि you very rightly said, mental game भी अलग है और executional game भी अलग है.
Absolutely.
You want to coach people on this?
Yeah, like disclaimer.
कुछ tricks बताओ.
Disclaimer, I'm nobody to coach, but I'll tell you from my experiences the things which I've found. Yeah, I think a person should very quickly realize that while dealing with other humans, right, and being in a corporate setup, there will be a multitude of things and weapons that you will need to create.
No one is thinking like that. तभी तो frustrate होते हैं.
हाँ, बट उसमें टाइम लगता है. मतलब ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन इज द एंट्री टिकट. वो सबको होती है, राइट? मेरे को हुई है, आपको हुई है. एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम वीव ऑलवेज फेल्ट we've come home, we've coped in different ways, we've made our partner's life miserable, we've gone out drinking with friends. वो सबने किया है. All of us have done that, right? But I think that is the price of admission. Like if you want to find a life partner on a dating app, तो वो फर्स्ट डेट में नहीं मिलेगा. I assume, right? Like you had the price of doing those 20 bad dates to find your life partner on the 21st date. Those 20 bad dates is the cost of admission. कि वो आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट है जो आपको करनी पड़ेगी. So those bad experience in a corporate setup need to happen. So that's why I say a lot of people, when we are in business school में होता है, हम क्या करते हैं कि यार I want to work for this FMCG, this tech company, and the glitz of the brand name draws you more. My singular and most passionate advice to anybody who's 22, 23, 25, go for the smallest possible, particularly for marketers, right? Go for the smallest possible ecosystem that you can find. If you're in a huge company, तो आप एक कोने में एक चीज कर रहे हो, you're absolutely insignificant in a sea of 200, 300 people in your function. कि even if you get laid off tomorrow, or even if you disappear for 1 month, कुछ फटेगा नहीं. But if you're in a 10 people marketing team, 5 people marketing team, right? Maybe you're not going with as much depth, but you're doing breadth.
Correct.
Right? And that is what is important at early stages of your career, right? Like the first marketing team that I worked for, there were 9 people. अब उसमें आपको research भी करना है, आपको print ad में नीचे वो भी select करना है, creative भी बनाने हैं. You have to do everything pre-post, you have to do dealer events, and I'm sure like you do everything. So you get a little taste of everything. At early stage in your life, your only job as a professional, marketing, finance, HR, whatever, is to eliminate that these are things I don't want to do.
That's self-research, no?
Absolutely.
Only when you're on the job that you will know.
Absolutely. Because what I want to do में तो बहुत साल लग जाते हैं, right? Like 10, 20, 25 साल लग जाते हैं what I want to do in life, right? And even then that gets, we were talking, that also you keep reinventing those answers again and again.
I have kids like 2 years में this is exactly what I don't want to do. I said ये same चीज़ बोलने के लिए मुझे 10 साल लगे थे.
Yeah.
I kept at it.
And kids today are fantastic, right? That they're great at. They are very clear on what they don't want to do, right?
Exactly. Their decision making is much faster.
So if we say, so our generation of people in the workforce, we took a lot more time to get to that answer. So I think पहले तो ये चीज़ें, if you're a finance professional, get a generic kind of
baseline,
jack of all trades kind of a role. And a small company and a startup will enable you to do that. आप Amazon में चले जाओगे तो नहीं होगा ना यार. मतलब it's like if you have 200 finance managers, you'll be doing one specific thing very, very well.
Correct.
But you will have no sense of how the other 199 things work. Your first process of elimination is कि यार ये 200 में से ये 150 चीज़ें तो मेरे को नहीं करनी लाइफ में. And that is the first glimmer of clarity in your life. And then out of those 50 things, then you figure out what gives me energy, what doesn't give me energy, what can I solve for, what's my superpower, what's my weakness. मतलब then you start, that's level 2. But हम level 2 पहले करने लग जाते. पहले तो ये करो यार ये नहीं करना. मेरे को फार्मा में नहीं काम करना. या मेरे को operations, supply chain नहीं जमता. So that's why you need a breadth role initially to be able to formulate those hypotheses.
So when you are hiring these people now that you're working and hiring a lot of people for D2C and your brand, what has been your top level learning?
Yeah, I think hiring
Gen Zs को hire करने में क्या challenges आ रहे हैं या क्या हो रहा है?
You're hiring at every level. It's just fascinating study of human behavior. Because at top levels, hiring is absolutely different. At Gen Z is very different. So I'll take a Gen Z example, right? So Gen Z is very clear that this is something I don't want to do. For example, when you and me went into the workforce, we figured out कि यार ठीक है इतने time आपको घिसाना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद the rewards start coming in. Gen Z is very clear यार कि I want to work hard, but there are a few things I won't compromise on.
Correct.
Which is fantastic, right? So we have things like then friends of mine are HRs, and they tell me instances of Gen Z asking them at the interview level, "Here, can I take mental health breaks and everything else?" So I'm like, यार हमारी हिम्मत नहीं होती पूछने की.
सवाल ही नहीं है.
तो बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट दिस जनरेशन इज एबल टू डू दैट. गुड बैड जस्टिफाइड देखो हम कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं,
Correct.
राइट, विच इज द नेचुरल थिंग फॉर एनी प्रीसीडिंग जनरेशन टू कम एंड डू कि हमारे जमाने में तो ये होता था. बट नहीं, इफ यू एक्चुअली से कि दिस इज ग्रेट, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट. सो हायरिंग में दे आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक, दीज आर थिंग्स आई वांट टू डू, these are things I don't want to do.
Correct.
At the senior levels, my god, that's a different study in human behavior itself. Wherever, like, if you're helping hire a CXO or something like that, or we're interacting on a position like that, then though it's all about
Is it about money? They are done with the money.
I think
CXO
so.
level money is not a problem, or it is just money.
No, I think so, money bhi hai, but more than that, right, it's an ego play. Mostly, say, a large company CXO will want to move to, say, a D2C company or a startup, take a one level up position or take a larger equity exposure or whatever, right? कि मैंने इतने पैसे कमा लिए, अभी मैं equity का game खेलता हूँ, because you see your peers making a lot of money in IPOs. तो like मेरे को भी चाहिए. so that's the typical person that we find. अभी दिक्कत क्या होती है कि lot of them come with the answer. कि यार I have done 20 years of Unilever, so I'll tell you how to build a brand. A lot of founders feel very frustrated कि नहीं बॉस ऐसे नहीं है. And so it is a very nice interplay of human psychology between a CXO, a founder, and an investor.
Correct.
So the founder needs to be able to sell that profile to the investor also.
Correct.
क्या this guy looks good on my founding team. किसी ने जेब में से पैसा निकाल के डाला है ना कि I'm going to give you 5 crores, but you better get from here to here in this much time.
Correct.
That's what an investor typically wants. So, and a lot of these CXOs come from companies where they've never had that kind of a pressure. कि हमें 6 months में इतने users acquire करने हैं. They've always worked on brands कि Dove चल रहा है 150 साल से. So they come from a very different world. So that's why I think hiring at junior levels or at senior levels is just fascinating sometimes. Lovely anecdotes, lovely eccentricities we get to see.
2 qualities that help them pass through. Beyond the ego. Little bit ego is important because you're confident about your work.
200%.
But then 2-3 qualities that, help them push through these interviews.
I think any person at any level, I think one absolute hygiene, absolutely essential quality is just your ability to act on your curiosity. Simple. And I talk about this a lot, is all of us are driven by our curiosities कि यार कोई नया tool आया तो उसको करके देखते हैं. There are 2 kinds of people. Actually 3 kinds of people. So one kind of person will be कि अरे there's a lot of AI happening in the market, right? They'll talk about it, they'll not do anything about it. Then there's a second type of person who will be like, okay, there's a lot of AI happening in the market. What course can I do? What book can I read? Or what conclave can I go to? Then there's a third type of person in the market who will be like, okay, AI बहुत चल रहा है. There's this new tool that I saw. Let me take a pro subscription. Let me fiddle around in the next 15-20 minutes. कुछ बना के देखता हूँ, कुछ तो आएगा. The third kind of person, the person who acts on their curiosity, is the person with non-linear outcomes. Majority first or second में भी है. Like I will put myself also in the first and the second, somewhere in the middle of that bucket. But the person जिसने कोई McKinsey की रिपोर्ट नहीं पढ़ी, बट उसका ये है कि यार आई सी दीज आर द 30 टूल्स विच आर हैपनिंग, इसका सबका प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेता हूँ 500-500 रुपये का और बना के देखते हैं, और हाथ से बनाएंगे तो कुछ समझ आएगा. I think that quality of being able to act on your curiosity is just such a gift, and it can come at any age.
I think it's for any level.
Any level. So I think that is one thing which I feel is people who seek external knowledge versus people who poke around. जो tinkerer का mindset होता है, workshop mindset कि यार I'll go into the garage and I'll make something and I'll come out. कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मज़ा तो आएगा. तो वो वाले जो लोग हैं ना, I think they are the people who are creating a difference.
Large companies or smaller companies? Which companies are more tuned towards giving this liberty that, okay, you take 3 months and try it out?
Yeah, of course, smaller companies. No, large companies तो करती नहीं है. Like large companies have very different incentives.
Processes.
I think every stage of your career you have different needs. At some stage in your life when you might have a home loan, you might be like कि ठीक है अभी 4-5 साल थोड़ा सा
सैलरी देखना है खाली,
स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए कि इतना होम लोन मेरा निकल जाए, or whatever, right? There's nothing wrong in that.
Yeah.
That's a great thing for you to do for your family, for yourself, for your career, or whatever, right? Or if you've got a big chunk of RSU grant, And you're like, hey, 4 साल, I'm just going to vest my RSUs and I'm just going to see it through. And then I'm going to hustle later. But इधर hustle नहीं करना मेरे को. Large companies में आपने बहुत लोग देखे होंगे जो eventually furniture बन जाते हैं. There's no problem in that, I feel. But at different stages in your life, you would want to do different things. In a small company, you would want to be to solve for breadth, like what we spoke of in your initial phases of your career. कि यार मेरे को सब try करना है and I want to see what gives me energy, what doesn't give me energy. Or I want to try something new. That can only happen in a company which is trying new things every day. If I am in Toyota, तो probably I don't know कितनी चीज़ें हो रही, but versus if I'm in a small EV brand, which is at the cutting edge of trying stuff out, and they're also thinking कि यार ये करके देखते हैं, ये करके देखते हैं, ये फट गया, let's also try and do this. So I think if you're a young person who's still trying to solve some curiosities, being in that company versus being in Toyota would probably do better for your career.
Correct. Coming to Harinder, how Harinder thought of, I'm going to start my own now. वो seed thought कहाँ से आया?
I think I think a lot of people have that. I'm sure you also had it at some point.
But I didn't have the courage to,
Courage किसी के पास नहीं होती ना. Courage comes ना.
कैसे आती है
You have to start first and then the courage follows you later. I don't know people where the courage comes first. I think in large organizations, what happens is that at least in smaller setups, the advantage is that you're doing things and the needle is moving. In large organizations, what happens is while you're better paid and with a better team and with a better designation and all of those things, but तुम्हारी creation की जो खुजली है वो satisfy नहीं होती है. And this happens to a lot of people, especially in senior positions, where they feel यार I don't think I don't feel I'm feeling insecure every day. There's a need for
they put it this way. I don't think I'm contributing enough.
Absolutely.
But you are moving an elephant. Elephant अपने speed से move करेगा.
हाँ, absolutely. So exactly, very well put, right? Because these are elephants. You can't push an elephant, right? You can't. अगर ship चल रही है, it's a huge ship, and if you try to change the hull of a ship suddenly, तो ship तो capsize कर जाएगी ना.
Correct.
And that's what I think. So lot of people, super competent people, get very frustrated in large organizations because of that reason. और कभी-कभी आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार, चलो let's do something. Can I find what's the smallest possible problem that I can find that I can solve for 10 people? Let's not think of millions of dollars and billion-dollar valuations. So it started. Okay, what can I solve for just 10 people?
This is a very good mindset.
Yeah, and once I've done with 9 people, अगले 10 का plan मेरे दिमाग में आ जाएगा. Like अभी मैं 100 नहीं सोच सकता. It has to start with just 10. कि what is the minimum action that I can take?
Action and impact.
हाँ, just 10 people. So I was talking to somebody and she was saying I want to do, and she's been in IT for the longest time, right? She said I want to do denim customization, jacket and denim customization. She's like, but it's not going to make any money. I was like, आपको पसंद है? She's like, yes. I was like, are you passionate about it? Would you do it? She's like, yeah, I would want to do it. I was like, just 10 jackets. That's it. Even if you lose 100% money on those 10 jackets,
Doesn't matter.
you can afford that money, right? But आपको मजा आएगा, right? Shopify का 500 रुपए का सब्सक्रिप्शन है.
Exactly.
सारी चीज़ें AI से जनरेट हो जाएंगी. मतलब 2-3 दिन में you'll have a nice working functional prototype of what you want to do. Like 10 पीस लो और सोचो कि इस पे मैंने पूरा पैसा लूज करना है. The moment you sell the 9th piece, your mind will give you the next step to do the next 100.
Correct.
So I was like, this is what you need to, because हम अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा burden कर देते हैं. So that was a trigger for me also. I just thought, okay, what can I do? I want to feel insecure. That's the thing. If you're not feeling insecure, no, if you're feeling comfortable, तो my belief is that you will stagnate. आप सड़ जाओगे as a creative, intelligent mind the moment you're comfortable. So you need to create these creative outlets. Like for example, I was really out of my depth कि यार who am I to write? But now I've had like 2 books now doing well. So I know कि that came on the back of me feeling super insecure कि यार अभी ये चीज़ है which I've got myself into. I need to learn how this works.
Yeah.
That feeling of insecurity, that feeling of danger needs to come in. अगर वो नहीं आ रहा ना, तो I think there's no excitement in life, and I don't think you're genuinely growing. There are phases in your life when you should side with comfort and stability and
Which is
everything.
your rational brain.
Which is the
would
rational brain.
want processes and set life and no discomfort and no shock.
Yeah, कभी-कभी चाहिए
Creative
आपको.
brain
नहीं,
animal instincts लेके आता है.
हाँ मतलब नहीं बट लाइफ भी ऐसे ऐसे होती है
हाँ,
राइट लाइक
see,
maybe
linear तो है नहीं.
maybe you've done a few years of a very something very stable and
Yeah.
fine where people are drudging along and then you like नहीं यार थोड़ी सी रात की नींद उड़नी चाहिए so that's where I was like नहीं यार थोड़ा सा कुछ difficult करना है लाइफ में like I want to see something which makes me feel insecure because there's romance in that यार only when you're not able to sleep at night and thinking यार I'm still thinking about the problem and your heart is still racing and then you try something out, it works, it doesn't work, you're talking to new people, you're sitting with a blank page and scribbling stuff out in the middle of the night.
Correct.
वो जो एक phase है, I think there's a lot of romance in that phase which everybody should experience. So I just thought it's time for me to experience that.
And then we started the
Yeah, then I've started the venture that I'm currently running. It's in training and hiring and bunch of other things that we do.
Correct.
And I get to do a lot of other things on the side, which means I get to write, talk to wonderful people like you. So
Thank you.
So ये सब चीजें करने में
I'm happy
अपनी curiosity satisfy करने में मजा आ रहा है.
I'm happy that we have reached the stage of now getting. We'll do it our way. So we have reached that stage. We're going to do it our way. The day I realized I was invisible.
Yeah,
Everyone feels invisible,
yeah,
and then they end up becoming the cringe, visibility monsters in the organization, if I may. So
Yeah.
I am also, I also had to kind of do a little bit of learning because my all other conversations are so sophisticated that, with you it was like, what are the words I can use and still be in the fence which is created for the pod.
yeah.
So वो जो visibility का too much of visibility. So what I'm trying to ask is, you're absolutely right to say, तुम हो कौन?
Yeah,
This is what you're saying.
yeah.
हाँ?
It's a provocative question. Yeah.
Invisibility and visibility का maths क्या है?
I think the first thing starts with having some kind of enlightening moment in your life जब आपको लगता है कि यार नहीं मैं हूँ invisible. पहले that penny needs to drop in your head. All of us spend so much of our lives thinking यार कि if I put my head down and I keep working, my work will get noticed. और वो झूठ है, वो नहीं होता. और बहुत ट्रेन आगे निकल जाती है जब तक राइट सो दैट हैपेंस विद अ लॉट ऑफ अस के दे आर पीपल हु वी फील लाइक कि यार ये क्रिंज ये क्या करता रहता है बट देन व्हेन दे आर considered for opportunities which you are not considered for and they're like नहीं यार politics हो रही है मेरे साथ नहीं यार this is how humans behave you need to understand right so it took me a lot of time to understand this कि यार I am just putting my head down and working and just expecting कि magic will happen नहीं होगा यार you have to manage other variables in your life right you could be like I use the example of you could have the best chart shop in the world but if nobody knows about it तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा यार दुकान पे so it's incumbent on the chart shop कि यार तेरी if you're a good chart maker it's तेरी responsibility है कि पूरे एरिया में सबको पता होना चाहिए कि बेस्ट चार्ट इधर मिल रही है there is no nobility in saying कि यार I have built a great product people will come उनको आना होगा तो आएंगे नहीं होता बॉस मतलब बहुत साल फ्रस्ट्रेशन के साथ आपको ये ज्ञात हो जाएगा कि ऐसा नहीं होता इट विल नॉट कम सो दैट इनविजिबिलिटी देयर इज अ सर्टेन प्रोफेशनल anonymity tax that we all end up paying
correct we all most we all in the sense most do that
सब मतलब I just feel it's 99.9% there'll be very few people who actually might know and that anonymity tax might be in the form of missed opportunities somebody else was sent for a conference it might be in the form of muted growth shitty increment letters could be anything right
how do you fight for your rights चलो ऐसे direction में जाते हो
देखो कभी कभी तो आपको ऐसे होता है you like यार I have never so there's somebody I spoke to like I have never fought for compensation I have never asked for money I was like यार and उसमें एक बहुत गुरूर था उस बात का so I was like यार you are supposed to but you are
I mean you're stupid if you're not
yeah you can't live in a capitalistic context and say कि यार मैं तो socialist हूँ कि मैंने तो कभी पैसे नहीं मांगे नहीं यार आप पैसे के लिए काम कर रहे हैं तो मांगो ना यार उसमें मतलब that's something which people feel a lot of pride in so you like I have never made a show of my work. I've just sit down and done my work. Yeah, that was previous generation thinking, which worked for them because the workplace was very different. Now in 2025, the workplace is very different. The workplace वो workplace नहीं है जहाँ हमने अपना career start किया था. The workplace is different. You have to jump through some hoops to ensure that, and it's never about के I have to be visible means के यार आप ठुमके लगाते हुए फाइनेंस वाली रील्स बनाने लग जाओ. वो तो नहीं है. That's not for everybody. No shade on people who do that. That's great, but it's a different game.
Correct.
That's not the game we're talking about. Our game is to get out of your professional anonymity, to stop paying this tax. What you need to do is to first earmark. Yeah, these are 5 people in the organization who need to know who I am and what I'm great at. आपके स्किप मैनेजर के अगर आपको कोई जानेगा ही नहीं दूसरी टीम में तो आप पोच कैसे होगे? That is important.
थोड़ा डीप डाइव करते हैं इसमें.
Absolutely.
Formula.
Yeah, I think.
I want to begin by asking you, and
Yeah.
again showing you a book. Why do you think people need to read this? वहाँ से चालू करता हूँ.
Yeah, I basically wrote this book for 25-year-old version of myself.
हाँ.
कि जिसको लगता है कि यार मेरा काम नोटिस हो जाएगा या मैं मेहनत करूँगा तो बात बन जाएगी या मेरे को आई नेवर वांट टू आस्क फॉर मनी और दिस इज क्रिंज दैट इज क्रिंज आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस आई फील अनकंफर्टेबल फॉर दैट 25-year-old हरिंदर who had put blinkers on his or and the world was moving ahead. This book is for that person. If you identify with that person, अगर आपको लगता है यार कि I also want to be seen but I never want to perform. Yet I want the benefits of recognition. But I
never want to perform.
हाँ कि मेरे को नहीं perform in terms of मेरे को ड्रामा नहीं करना.
अच्छा ड्रामा नहीं करना.
हाँ कि मेरे
perform
को
तो करना पड़ेगा काम तो करना
मतलब
पड़ेगा.
you have to do that not in that context.
Yeah.
I want to be seen but without having to
cringe drama.
do any cringe drama. Or if I want to get recognition without doing anything that is uncomfortable. If you see benefit in any of those things, then this is the book for you.
You know what? Most of the people are introverts. Most.
Yeah.
All the people you're talking about who are like head down and working, you tell them to showcase anything, then they also feel that what you're saying is ऊपर जाने की सीढ़ी के लिए visibility is important.
Essential.
It's
a necessary but not sufficient condition. Sufficient, of course, ये तो है कि आपको काम तो बॉस करना है, right? But you also need to put this icing on the top, which doesn't mean कि you go and start goading about yourself. That's the thing.
Correct.
That's what the book is. The book is not कि मैं जाके लोगों को बताने लग जाऊँगा मैंने तो ये achieve कर लिया. नहीं, you don't have to do anything cringe. You just have to make a list कि in the company, currently there are 5 people that I work with who see my day to day. मैनेजर, स्किप मैनेजर, 2-3 कोलीग्स, 1-2 एजेंसी, ये मेरा कोकून है, ये मेरा सिस्टम है.
यूनिवर्स मेरा इतना ही है.
इसके अलावा who are the people? Are they potential agency partners? Are they potential clients? Are there partners in the firm? Other partners who don't know of you? आपने लंच में उनको देखा है कहीं? They know कि a person like this exists, but they don't know what you're about. कल को उनकी टीम में अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी, तो will you be the first name that they call? नहीं होगा ना, if you are not visible to them. So that's what. And how to do that in a very non-cringe way. How do you leave breadcrumbs which are picked up at the right time so that when you're in a room where opportunities are being discussed, is your name coming up in that room? Correct. I think that is what we need to do in a professional context. And that doesn't mean only for working professionals. It can be for freelancers. Okay, when somebody wants to design a new catalog, are you the first designer they think of? Or when somebody wants to undergo a physical transformation and they live in Bandra, are you the first fitness trainer they think of? Or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Whether you're any one of these people, being good at what you do is a necessary condition, but not a sufficient condition. You need to make sure that the people who you are targeting, who you are for, जिनकी life में आप कुछ change कर सकते हो, are you top of mind for them or not? Correct. Only for them, not for the millions of followers, not for everybody who will never make a difference, not for any of those vanity metrics, just for those 5, 10, 20 people.
That's what I read in the book also. You have given a fantastic formula, MVS.
Yeah.
You want to talk about it? Maybe after a sip of little bit. यार ये किताब तो ना हर पेज डिस्कशन के लायक है. I have a real view for you. This every page, 2 pages should be a kind of a web series or your short note or something. Because this is goldmine for anybody who is stuck. And most are stuck.
Yeah.
Every day you're living and doing, but that stuck wala feeling है.
Yeah, we've all felt no stuck at some
I
point.
am very capable, but कुछ नहीं आ रहा मेरे आमने सामने दिख ही नहीं रहा. But how opportunity is going to come? You know,
अपने आप कैसे
that used to
आएगी?
be
नहीं आएगी.
only a phrase. Opportunities will knock your door. How? What is the frequency?
What am I doing to make sure that happens?
So we don't understand that opportunities are also hand created.
Yes.
Knock
Yes.
तो होगी, and if you miss that, then you're waiting for 2 years for that thing knock again.
Absolutely.
MVS का formula मुझे बहुत interesting लगा.
Yeah, so you said opportunities knock कैसे होंगी, right? So one of the things is, of course, I'll talk about MVS also. I think luck can be engineered in a professional context.
वाह.
Luck is it's a very misunderstood concept. जिसको हम good luck, मेरा तो luck खराब चल रहा है आजकल.
हाँ.
But in a professional context, it can be engineered. Yeah,
Please.
if I am a marketing manager in a pharmaceutical company, तो currently मेरे को 5 लोग जानते हैं. Do other marketing heads of other pharmaceutical companies know who you are? That's your responsibility. So things like that, when you put small breadcrumbs, कि उनको लगे नहीं यार हरिंदर नाम का एक लड़का है उधर अच्छा हार्ड वर्किंग लड़का है देखेंगे, right? That needs to happen. अभी आपने अगर ऐसे किया कि you've now made sure कि now your 5 competitors, their marketing heads know कि there's a kid like this who's actually good, who we can consider talking to. When you do that, you're actually creating opportunity के लिए surface area. You're creating surface area for opportunity and serendipity to strike, right?
Sorry for asking this very I keep using this word, you know,
Yeah.
juvenile question. ये
हाँ जी.
होगा कैसे?
Here, so
LinkedIn?
I
Direct contact?
talk about a bunch of things in the book, right? कि करना कैसे, and because otherwise अगर बोलते रहोगे ये करना चाहिए but बताओगे नहीं कैसे करना है, तो then it will not make any sense, right? So the how is so many things. Like there's some 10 different techniques that I've given which you can try that though that people have tried and they've worked. For example, I talked about breadcrumbs. आपने देखो अगर कोई छोटा सा फॉर्मेट बना दिया, आई टेल यू वेरी सिंपल थिंग. इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग ना बिल्कुल ऐसे हमारे, आई वाज इन फैशन, सो इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग इज अ बिग स्पेंड. इट्स लाइक ओके, हाउ वी आर चूजिंग पीपल इज बेसिकली इट्स जस्ट अ प्रेयर कि कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा आरओआई कहाँ से क्या है, एजेंसी कुछ बता रही है, टूल कुछ बता रहा है, वी ऑल नो इट्स जस्ट मन की शांति, देयर इज नो ट्रुथ टू एनी ऑफ इट, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक ओके, व्हाट कैन आई डू? I took some research papers कि celebrity endorsement, right? Not influencer, but in the celebrity context, क्या research हुई है? What have people said? How can you measure? Spoke to some talent agencies and figured out. Spoke to some people, influencers would become friends कि आपकी तरफ से क्या? So just talk to a lot of people. Made a very simple tool. Not a tool, basically एक worksheet बनाई कि यार when you're choosing influencers,
Yeah.
this is what you need to think of: choice credibility, source credibility, CPV, some of the harder metrics, some of the softer metrics.
Softer and
एक बन
harder
गया.
both.
That was just for my team to adopt, and then my team adopted it, and then it was so much more easier. There was now method to the madness. There was science behind everything. So मेरी टीम में अडॉप्ट हो गया, सब यूज करने लग गए, द बॉसेस लव्ड इट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वन डे सम अदर टीम्स मार्केटिंग हेड फॉर अ डिफरेंट ब्रांड हैड गॉन टू द सीईओ टू गेट एन अप्रूवल, एंड द सीईओ सेड कि यार वो हरिंदर वाले फॉर्मेट में लेके आ जा. Right?
Because it's easy for them to also look at and consume the numbers.
Yeah. So
Metric is easy to understand.
So sometimes that's all it takes, right? That you build some tool which got adapted in a different team.
Correct.
And they know that there's a kid called Harinder who made something like this, which we are now using. Sometimes that is the breadcrumb. LinkedIn is not the only breadcrumb. कि आप करोगे, कभी-कभी आपकी चीजें travel करेंगी. Sometimes you make a PDF which says, okay, these are 5, if I'm a B2B SaaS manager, then these are 5 problems in my this thing which I solved through this. ये मैंने experimentation किया. आपका PDF travel कर रहा है कहीं. Right? Or there are many other things, right? Sometimes that you can do. So breadcrumbs, there's a concept of silent signals which I've given in the book, which is, can other people vouch for you? How do you get other people to vouch for you in a room that you're not in? So combination of many of these things. Social media is one of them.
Correct.
So use different combination of these different amplifiers to make sure that other people, the people that you've defined, they know that there's a person called Poonam who exists in this company and she's really good at what she does.
Correct. Rest, read the book, of course. No, but then I am very greedy when, authors are sitting with us.
Yeah.
This was fantastic. Your Robin, the British anthropologist whose research centered around primate brain sizes and group dynamics, where he concluded that humans have a cognitive limit.
Yes.
I want to know from you.
यार ये बहुत सिंपल फंडा है, राइट? सो इफ यू से कि चलो आई एम अ रियल एस्टेट एजेंट, लेट्स जस्ट
Can
स्टार्ट
I just disturb? You know,
हाँ जी।
we have been always taught there is no cognitive limit.
हाँ
You're limitless.
हाँ
You can think endless. Everybody can be Jeff Bezos. He's doing 100 businesses. You can also.
Yeah.
Now let's put a lens to it.
there is absolutely a cognitive limit. So this guy says that there's a limit to the number of stable social connections that you can have, and he said that number is about 150. Now I'll bring that into context. How to use that? Basically, if I say कि मैंने YouTube channel शुरू किया,
हाँ.
I'm a real estate agent. I was like, let me just start doing home showings and everything. I'll put it up on YouTube. अभी YouTube आप शुरू करते हो तो आपको ऐसे लगता है कि पहला वीडियो मेरा वायरल हो जाएगा, नीचे मिस्टर जकरबर्ग आएंगे कि सर आप कहाँ थे। वो नहीं होता, राइट? देखो, सो पहले वीडियो में 100 व्यू ही आएंगे, जिसमें
100 भी आप बड़ा बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ, मे बी 100 भी नहीं
YouTube is very difficult.
हाँ, मे बी 10 व्यू आएंगे, उसमें से 3 आपकी मम्मी के, राइट? दैट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ दैट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. नाउ लेट मी कंटेक्चुअलाइज दिस. डनबार ने 150 का नंबर दिया. अगर मैंने फिगर आउट कर लिया कि यार मैं देखो रियल एस्टेट एजेंट हूँ, तो मेरे को ये पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट्स, बिल्डर्स या बिल्डर्स के सेल्स हेड्स जो मेरे इंपॉर्टेंट लोग हैं, मैंने उनकी 100 की लिस्ट बना ली. मेरे यूट्यूब वीडियो में आया 150 व्यू, तो मेरा इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्स होगा कि यार देखो ये तो फ्लॉप हो गया सीन. इतना एफर्ट किया, एडिटिंग किया मैंने, आई वोर नाइस क्लोथ्स एंड आई डिड एवरीथिंग, नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज फ्लॉप्ड. बट आउट ऑफ दोज 150, if 70 people are from your list of 100, then it's a 6 out of the park, no? Then that's all you need. Rather than like 10,000 views from random people who might never buy from you, if that one sales head of Lodha has watched your video and said, "Yaar, this guy really knows what he's doing, I think we should partner up with him."
Correct.
I think that's how we should contextualize this. So the book says that instead of chasing millions of followers, which is great for vanity and great for many other things, but it's a very different game. 99% of people will never need to play that game. 99% people के लिए यही है कि 3 circles हैं, 15, 150, 1500. That's what I've given in the book.
Correct.
15 people is people your colleagues and people you're very close to, ex-clients or whatever. People who are your basic sounding board, basic bounce off करोगे जिनके साथ ideas. Then is your 150. 150 is people you want to work with, potential clients. No? Like I said, sales head of real estate companies. If you're a finance professional, CFOs of other companies. No, आप define. Maybe they don't know me today, but मैं चाहता हूँ कि in the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, they should know who I am. Which is also the title of the book. And then 1500 would be the outermost circle. कि you say कि okay, agency partners, industry bodies. No, बिल्कुल ही you can say like a pipe dream.
Larger than life.
हाँ,
Pipeline dream.
हाँ, पाइपलाइन कि मेरे को ये कि मेरा फिक्की में चेयरपर्सन को पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कौन हूँ, राइट? वो आप 1500 में डाल दो, उससे ज़्यादा लोग ही नहीं चाहिए आपको टू डू अ सक्सेसफुल करियर. So when you are contextualizing your social media efforts, for example, like we took the YouTube example.
Correct.
Now if it has 150 views on every video, but 70 are being watched from your Dunbar list of 150, तो आपका business rocket की तरह चलेगा.
आपका लीड फनल किक इन हो जाएगा ना, as simple as that.
Yeah, because that's what we want, right? हमें vanity थोड़ी चाहिए. We want something real and proper to come out of that.
No, this is great clarity of mind.
If you're chasing vanity, वो भी अच्छा काम है, वो भी करो. It's great. I'm not saying no shade on that, like I said earlier, but for any normal person, for a normal person, you just need to contextualize it enough. But वो define करना important है कि वो 100, 150, वो number, वो लोग हैं कौन और क्यों हैं. Write it down. Make an Excel sheet. Just write down these are the people who I think should know who I am, and then go after them.
I have a question now.
हाँ जी.
How many people you think, and you have explained this beautifully, like, you know, मैं तो page numbers भी दे सकती हूँ, from 45 to 20 pages. It can change anyone's life if they really want to build freelancing business, their own mini business, chota D2C, or even corporate.
Yes.
You know, as you said, you gave a brilliant example of how you created that method, and the CEO said कि use that method ना, मुझे भी समझेगा. You know, we are there to ease the lives of the top bosses. Now, my question here is, which is 99.9% people. I've sat in the pod also with psychologists, you know, who are also authors. The first hindrance is करेगा कौन? पढ़ा, influence हुए, wow. But you know what? The effort of making that list,
Hmm.
ठीक है, next दिवाली पे बनाता हूँ, दिवाली विश भेजना है ना.
Hmm.
I personally don't like people who just draft something for Diwali and then I can see it has been forwarded to me. I
Yeah.
choose not to respond.
I never respond. Same.
I choose not to
If
respond.
it's a broadcast, I never. If it has the name Harinder in it,
वो
किसी ने
ब्रॉडकास्ट भी नहीं होता है, वो शायद सिर्फ फॉरवर्ड जा रहा है. तो ये बेसिक्स ऑफ ह्यूमन कनेक्शन.
yeah.
Do you value me or you are just doing something which is for the sake of it? Now,
Yeah.
the same behavior then cascades down to everything that you do in your workplace also. रुकावट के लिए खेद है. अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट और कॉन्वर्सेशंस अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करिए अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स और फ्रेंड्स के साथ. Thank you so much for watching. We just spoke about the recognition circle. 1500 लोग बहुत हो गए. I mean,
बहुत ज़्यादा
for
होते हैं.
freelancers, for
100-150 बहुत है.
बहुत है. हम ऐसे सोचते नहीं है.
100-150 भी I'm saying is the vertical limit.
सोचो.
Maybe you start with 10, 20, 50.
We should be
And eventually you get to that. Right? 150 people knowing who I am, what I'm great at is the goal. Is not the starting point. Starting point might be just 10.
So to everyone who पढ़ तो लेंगे ला, 25 pages can change someone's life, honestly.
I think so.
That's why I picked this book, because when I got to know, I said, yeah, this is very nicely written. It's not about the effort being used 55 times, but it's about the real life problems and real life challenges and real life corporate, equations / quotes / questions / dilemmas with answers. With answers. So, 99.9% people, there are a lot of people who read books, including me. Implementation is the problem.
Yeah.
Likewise, how we say strategy and decision making and thinking तो बहुत कर सकते हैं. Implement कौन कर रहा है? तो how would you want to motivate a guy who will end up buying this book, reading this book, podcast भी सुनेंगे, सब अच्छा लगेगा, exactly यही करना है, पर फिर Netflix पे बैठ जाएंगे.
नहीं, Netflix पे भी बैठो, YouTube पे भी बैठो, वो अच्छी चीजें करो, right?
हाँ.
See, at some point the penny needs to drop in your head कि यार अब जैसा चल रहा है ना वैसे नहीं चल सकता.
तो ये सेल्फ मोटिवेशन होता है.
देखो, कोई आपको नहीं दे सकता. In this entire book, I am very conscious कि यार I am nobody to tell you what to do. Right? Doesn't matter कि यार मैंने किताब लिखी है तो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो आप करो तो सब सही हो जाएगा लाइफ में. I am nobody. There are places in the book where I've left marks, where I've left prompts for you to just write down things.
Yeah.
Care what was the high point in my life, what gives me energy, what gives me flow. The answer is inside you. A person like me can come in and help nudge that answer. कि वो था आपकी ज़बान पे था but बाहर नहीं आ रहा था. वो हल्का सा 1% push आपको मिल गया. And I think that is the job the book needs to do. If you're, motivation कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए बाहर से नहीं आ सकती. You can never. Otherwise, YouTube पे हैं बहुत सारे चैनल्स, राइट, वो जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, मोटिवेशन वीडियोस आ रहे हैं जिसमें सब 5 AM उठ के कोल्ड शावर ले रहे हैं या कुछ हसल कर रहे हैं, राइट. वो देखने से अगर हो जाता तो आई एम श्योर लाइक द बिगेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑफ आवर टाइम वो सुबह उठ के वही देखते, बट वो नहीं कर रहे, राइट. दोज थिंग्स डोंट वर्क. द पेनी हैज टू ड्रॉप इन योर हेड कि यार व्हाट गॉट मी हियर विल नॉट गेट मी देयर, कि समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. आई नीड टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड यार कि कुछ चीज़ें बेटर हो सकती है मेरी लाइफ में, और ओपन माइंड के साथ अगर मैं करूँ कि यार देयर आर सम थिंग्स आई फाइंड अनकंफर्टेबल, सम थिंग्स आई हैव नेवर डन इन माई लाइफ, बट लेट मी गिव इट अ ट्राई. मैं इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर आई राइट कि यार देखो ऐसा है, 7 days के लिए ना जस्ट सस्पेंड डिसबिलीफ, जस्ट सस्पेंड दैट वॉइस इन योर हेड विच इज ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट यू एंड से कि यार छोड़िए मेरे से नहीं होता, ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. 8वें दिन में अगर आपको लगे कि यार ये काम नहीं किया, तो मैं बोलता प्लीज सेरेमोनियली पुट द बुक ऑन फायर और मेरे को फोटो भेज देना, राइट. बट फॉर 7 days दैट इज द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन यू एंड मी.
1 minute, 7 days you are saying most people struggle with time management.
हाँ,
करना चाहते हैं, निकाल, you don't know how to remove that little 1 hour. So how does one design that life? What you're saying, 7 days का?
yeah, see, if the problem is so dire कि if you're not willing to take out even half an hour to reflect on your own life, तो फिर वो मे बी आज आप नहीं निकाल पा रहे बट आपको कभी ना कभी निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट.
लाइफ बोलेगी निकालने के लिए,
लाइफ या तो लाइफ निकलवाएगी आपसे, राइट, अनकॉन्शियसली, राइट. एंड द सूनर दैट इज द बेटर. लाइक आई सेड कि जो टफ चीज़ें है ना लाइफ में, जो इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव चीज़ें, जो पेनफुल कन्वर्सेशंस खुद के साथ करनी है, वो पहले कर लो तो बेटर है.
करेक्ट.
right? Rather than being in your late 30s and 40s and then having that conversation. ठीक है, तभी भी कर सकते हो, why not? But it will be a lot more easier, a lot lesser
कहते हैं ना
stakes if you
जब
do it.
जागो तब सवेरा. Having said
Absolutely.
that, what I'm trying to decode here is that when the penny will drop in your own head,
Yes.
your own penny.
Yes.
You know, they say, na, not my money, not my problem. This is your life, this is your problem.
Yeah.
No one else is responsible for what you're going through or what is happening to you.
हाँ,
So,
if you have the problem तो तुम्हें ही solution निकालना है. वो कोई author आके नहीं दे सकता आपको. हाँ, but this I can guarantee you that if you go through the steps and the experiments and the prompts and you reflect at the right spaces, you will be a lot closer to the answer than what you were. There is no guarantee that you will get the answer.
correct.
Nobody will give you the answer. There's nothing called I'm going to tell you what to do. But you will be closer
Correct.
than what you were when you started the book. वो guarantee है.
No, I love the way it is probing, it is leaving you pain 1, pain 2, pain 3. It's I think 5 घंटे आपकी इस किताब के साथ कोई बैठ जाए
Yeah.
with a pen and they would be happy. In the
I
end.
think so.
I think so. I also think.
See, we've tried this before the book was published and before we sent it to printing, right? We tested it on a lot of people.
Oh, really?
So there were some 60, 65 people, and I do this, right? I did this on a smaller scale for my earlier book also, but for this book, I made sure that I go into very big depth. Kya, did you try it? Where did you fall off? This book was originally 550 pages, right? That's the number of pages that I wrote. But it is my responsibility as an author कि अगर मैं same चीज़, see, my contract with the reader is not 300-400 rupees that they pay.
Correct.
It is the 3 to 5 hours that they invest.
Yes.
Right? वो तो एक कॉफ़ी का अमाउंट है. For most people reading this book, it will be an ignorable amount. But 3 to 5 hours बहुत valuable होता है. Right? तो वो मेरा contract है. If there's something that I can say in 3 hours, then saying it in 6 hours is a crime. अगर मैं so as like I wrote a very long book. एंड देन आई मर्सीलेसली कट कि यार जो भी चीज़ हल्की सी रेपिटेशन लग रही है या जो नॉन ऑब्वियस लग रही है या जो लग रहा है कि इट इज़ गेटिंग इन द वे ऑफ यू एक्चुअली ट्राइंग स्टफ आउट, इट हैज़ टू बी मर्सीलेसली कट. So that's why when you said earlier, right, कि every page seems like this page can be its own content and this page can be its everything, वो feeling तभी आएगी. You will feel, so people say नहीं I breezed through it. वो breezed वाली feeling तभी आएगी when somebody.
I tried breathing and then I said कि कितना. So when I breathe, you know, I always make my notes like this. अभी I was like, okay, कितना yellow करूँ मैं? कितना highlight होगा? This book is good. It's good for anybody who wants progress.
Thank you so much. So that density needs to be there.
Yeah.
Because the contract is time. Attention से important कुछ भी नहीं है. We all know that, right? So if somebody is paying you with attention, with that much attention, then you better make sure as a writer that you bring your A game. उसमें then you don't have, this is not the space to flex your muscles and say कि यार कि I can write like this or I can write like
500
that.
pages.
No यार कहीं और करो. You have to get your value into the reader's head in the shortest possible, densest format, easiest format, and then get out of their way. उनकी life में बहुत चीज़ें हैं करने को. So I feel for a lot of readers, right, and I love encouraging people to read more. So they say, "यार, I'm not able to finish books." So I was like, "But तुम क्यों guilty feel कर रहे हो यार? The job of you finishing the book, put pressure on the author. It's his job to make sure that you finish it. If he or she would have done a better job at their craft, तब आप खत्म करते, right? हमने एक दिन में हैरी पॉटर खत्म की है ना?
हाँ की है.
सबने की है ना, right? और अभी ये देखो कुछ बुक्स ऐसे हमारी शेल्फ पे पड़ी रहती हैं कि यार ये तो मैं 1 साल से ऐसी ही है and I've tried it 3-4 times. Don't feel guilty yourself. The author should have been an author which would have given that experience कि यार ये मैंने एयरपोर्ट स्टोर से उठाई, फ़ोन एयरप्लेन मोड पे डाला, फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ हुई, जब तक लैंड हुई मैंने 60-70% पढ़ ली थी.
Correct.
That is the experience a great author should, मतलब that's what I strive to deliver. It has to be short. I will never write a fat book in life. It will always be the basic bare minimum that I need to do, and then I'll get away from your life.
Wow. No, I experienced it. I 100% agree to what you're saying because I thought that I will breeze through fast or whatever. But every page was like serving me next. So I'm on page number 79.
Yeah.
You're okay talking about your book, right?
Oh, please.
My LinkedIn game had finally started looking up after some severely humbling levels of experimentation, and I was itching to try out new kinds of content like everyone else. You want to tell everyone what is this little story? And it's very nice.
Yeah, I think we start from a beginning stage saying कि मेरे को LinkedIn पे कुछ करना है, मेरे को
लिंक्डइन पे क्यों करना है पहले तो मैं ये पूछूं.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली LinkedIn पे क्यों करना है, Instagram पे करो, YouTube पे करो. No, everybody, what are new platforms that I need to be on?
हाँ.
The question is not what new platform need to be on. The question is if you've defined 100 people who need to know who you are, वो कहाँ है? If they are all on Reddit and you are here on Instagram, then you failed.
Correct.
If they are all on LinkedIn and you're on YouTube, then you failed. So the question is not which platform. The question is where are those people? Where is their attention? Maybe they're not on social media.
हाँ.
Maybe
Quite
the right
possible.
place to meet them is to go to industry events,
हाँ.
right? Or they're on WhatsApp. I mean, sometimes the solution is very in front of you, but like नहीं यार मेरे को तो LinkedIn पे करना है. नहीं करना मत करो. It's like just be easy on yourself. You don't need to like play every game and ace it. So I think on LinkedIn, what I think is, I think once I started doing some experimenting, started showing traction, I thought यार कि LinkedIn में ना there's just so much. My God, I don't want to say garbage, but it is garbage, right? Like which means कि लोग किसी भी चीज़ में से लीडरशिप लेसन निकाल रहे हैं कि यार आज कॉफ़ी की मशीन टूट गई तो उससे रेजिलियंस का लेसन निकल गया. मतलब क्या कर रहे हो भाई? मतलब what are you trying to do?
So I used to really write like 2020, 2021.
Yeah.
And then sometimes you are on your way for a meeting and there is a thought, आप भी prepare कर रहे हो, वो thought आया और वो डाल दिया. और sometimes I also used to use my LinkedIn for a message for my team.
Yeah.
ये mindset से I'm going, it really, so we had that little camaraderie.
Nice.
A day came when obviously not everything you are able to. It's a hybrid thing. Sometimes I'm writing when I feel like writing and all that, and sometimes I'm taking help. We're also building content XYZ. And a time came when everything was about an AI writing it for you.
Yeah.
They tried so much training, and I'm giving a real feedback. All the AI is possible. I don't want to name them. There are 7-8 that everybody is trying to use.
Yeah.
What I personally like is Perplexity for research and numbers. They can't draft, and rest are drafting to the next level. There's so much training that we tried to give. Write like Poonam Vijay Thakkar. She uses this line. No, AI will be AI.
Doesn't work.
And that made me feel so good. You can do the original stuff.
But I want to hear, if I'm following you, I want to hear Poonam.
Yeah.
कि यार when I meet Poonam in person, Poonam sounds a certain way.
Yeah.
अभी LinkedIn पे मेरे को
वो कुछ और चल
Poonam 2.0 नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को वही, I want the same Poonam in the same वो कि when I meet you, you're an insightful person. I want the same person to come on LinkedIn. कि instead of having a one-to-one, you have a one-to-many. That authenticity needs to be carried forward.
I don't think that is happening, and that's why I have reduced a lot of my own conversation because मैं जितना खुद लिख सकती हूँ, it should go.
It doesn't matter. See, I'm not anti-AI at all. आपको AI use करना करो. But the thing is, people are very clever now to see what is AI slop and what is actual value.
Everyone can see.
You need to be
I
able
used to love my spelling mistakes because that's me. I did it fast. You should not judge me for one spelling mistake. एक S कम है या एक A ज़्यादा है. I'm okay with that. My full stop के बाद space नहीं है. I am absolutely fine with that because you need to know this is written by a human being who use their own mind.
Yeah.
And how much time it will take anybody to take that paragraph and correct it on any bot.
Those mistakes make it beautiful. No, it's like a painting.
Personally, I like it.
Those small imperfections that human hand in content, in writing, that's what makes it special. Na? नहीं तो if I take a picture of the Taj Mahal versus if I paint the Taj Mahal,
You said it.
There's a very big difference, right? I know the picture is easy, where it's perfect and clean and it's an accurate representation of what it is. But painting में
human thought is gone.
हाँ, उसमें बहुत imperfections होंगी, rawness होगी. That's why the value of a painting is larger than a photograph in most cases, right? And I think AI use in writing is not very dissimilar. Okay, now because 90% of people continue to use AI, the 10% of people who don't or use it in the right use cases, उनकी value ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी.
Should be hybrid.
Absolutely.
You correct your things, but thought
100%.
needs to be original.
thought needs to be original यार, वो नहीं, because if you're putting the same prompts that everybody else is putting, तो फिर तो वही निकलेगा. It will just be large volume of mediocrity. वो नहीं चाहिए हमें. We need small bursts of original thought. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if most people disagree to it. There will be some people who agree to it.
Yeah,
but I think that's the beauty of social media today. कि you can't train algorithms and automations to do everything for you. मतलब I need Harinder's voice and Poonam's voice to come out of it.
Correct.
आपका signature, आपका stamp, आपका DNA, वो हर चीज में दिखना चाहिए.
Correct. वो DNA थोड़ा सा हर जगह, it is very important.
हाँ.
I think this is now 2.0 or 3.0, whatever one wants to say. 2020 phase was very different for social media.
Yes.
And now last 2 years, say all the AI garbage or whatever is happening, it is important for you to give that little, the same word, nudge.
Yeah.
Or little, it's a propeller.
Yeah.
Like just get that little thing, but then originality. So I'm trying to understand that how agencies or partners or anybody and everybody in the content game needs to think.
In context of AI.
Yeah.
Here, what I feel, and I've talked about this earlier, is that there are 100 human tasks, right? For example, in the creative process, there are 80-90% of the tasks which were very mundane and very silly for a highly paid creative individual to do. Now you don't need to do that because somebody else is doing it, so that you can focus on the 10%, and that is the operative part. It can't do everything. It should not do everything, even if it can. So if my mind is free from all of these pressures of research and all of these pressures of validation and
Correct.
cleaning up and everything, I can focus on the stuff that actually matters. And I think as creative partners, as agencies, I think that's what it needs to be. I was looking at on some web series and on some OTT, I just saw a Mahabharata rendition in AI. Absolutely disliked it. Like, I really didn't like it because I just think if you overly rely on a technology just to say कि the technology has been used, कि this ad has been made by AI and that's the special thing about the ad, वो नहीं चलेगा यार. It's just, it's very disappointing. But if you use it to augment the 10%, which only a human creative mind should do,
Can do.
so then it's the most amazing thing for you.
True. This is also great concept. Pick the winners, ditch the time wasters. No one does this. What is this art? How do you identify time wasters and winners?
Here we have effort and reward in everything, like in anything in life. For example, you start a podcast, you start a side hustle, you kind of work on your health, your earning, right? There are many initiatives that we all do in our lives.
Correct.
Everything has an impact and effort ratio. So I think that's what we sometimes need to clinically, maybe a lot of people do that when they are setting goals for themselves for the next year, right? For example, अभी December में लोग करेंगे, तो वो time पे ऐसे होना चाहिए. आप सोचो यार कि एक मैं, I am a finite person. There is a limit to the energy and the time and the resources that I have. वो अनलिमिटेड नहीं होगा. I can put pressures on myself कि यार मेरे को तो ये भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए, तो आप बस डिप्रेस ही होगे. But if you say कि okay, I can pick up these 2 things or these 3 things to work on in the coming year, that needs to come across from a long list of things कि यार इसमें effort क्या है, इसमें impact क्या है. If it is low effort and high impact, then you need to double down. If it is high impact and high effort, then you need to know कि ठीक है ये पूरे टाइम नहीं कर सकता मैं. I will need to select the ones which I can do and not do. But if it is high effort and low impact, then you immediately need to cull it.
Correct.
कि अगर साइड हसल है, बहुत टाइम लग रहा है मेरे को वो डेनिम जैकेट्स बनाने में, बट उसमें रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा, तो एक रिस्पेक्टेबल टाइम के बाद यू नीड टू पुल द प्लग. एंड सिमिलरली, सो इफ इट्स लो एफर्ट लो इम्पैक्ट, फिर तो चल ही नहीं रहा, right?
चल ही नहीं रहा.
So sometimes just make a 2x2 matrix and just say कि all of these experiments that I'm doing in my life, where would I plot it? And dispassionately. It's very important to kill your babies. Which means कि sometimes we get so attached to these ideas कि we are like कि नहीं यार ये तो मेरा denim jacket का business है, it's losing money every month, but I want to pump in more money. It's mine and like it's my baby and I can't do. नहीं यार, you have to, right? Because you are a finite human being and your energy is better utilized somewhere else. So something which is low effort, high impact, that you need to double down and redistribute your energy towards that.
What if I fail and look stupid?
Doesn't
Harinder, this
matter,
book is
yaar.
very audacious, huh?
It is supposed to be, right? Like if I fail and look stupid, that's fine ना यार. That's the price of entry. वो करना है ना यार life
नहीं,
में.
पर किसको अच्छा
थोड़ा
लगता
सा.
है फेल होना?
But that's the price of admission ना. वो entry ticket है. If you're not failing, then you're not growing. Then you're not trying anything.
ये तो क्लीशे है यार.
यार some cliches are true. Some cliches are cliches for a reason. और उसमें है. There is an ounce of
What is the
truth
merit
also.
in that?
Yeah, there is, because see, if you're doing a high volume of things, trying out new things, कि side hustle भी करना है, podcast भी चालू करना है, नया business start करना है, एक नया business नहीं, 3 नए business start करने के, let's see which one takes off. If you're doing a high volume of experiments, failure is imperative. वो तो होगा ही. अब देखो, आप सुपरमैन तो होने के यार, आप 10 चीजें आपने स्टार्ट की, 10 में से 10 कंप्लीशन भी हुआ और सक्सेस भी हुआ. कभी भी नहीं होगा. So you need to be very conscious of that, यार, कि failure is a part of what I'm going to do, and not in a very influencer-ish way कि यार I have a failure resume, 10 things I learned from my failure.
Yeah.
मतलब वो सब नहीं बोलूँगा, but genuine failure, like कि हाँ ठीक है, I started this small startup, I spent 1 month on it, on the idea, it's not working, I'll pull the plug very very quickly. वो failure ही भी नहीं है. Right?
Learning है ना,
It's only failure if you consider it as a failure. It's just learning. It's just one of the experiments where you got data. The fact that it did not work is also data.
Correct.
हाँ, तो आप data collection नहीं कर रहे हो. If you go with that mindset, with the tinkerer's mindset, then you're just inventing 999 ways of how a light bulb is not made. And doesn't matter. Doing all of those ways is the price of entry to make sure that you build one which actually works, which you actually love. तो doesn't matter if you look stupid. कौन देख रहा है यार, सब बनने वाले हैं.
Actually कौन देख रहा है? Actually you are very interesting. आप खुद ही तो खुद को देख रहे हो ना बैठकर. You
हाँ.
are just trying to judge your own self before the world. And I think most human beings are failing there only.
Yeah, we are our biggest critics. That's the issue. I think if we just become 10% more kind to ourselves, the world is just going to be such a nicer place. I know this is philosophical, but
But imposter syndrome is this, no?
हम खुद से काइंड नहीं है ना यार. It's like imposter syndrome कि मैं कौन होता हूँ, कि who am I to start a new podcast, or who am I to write a book. Maybe I'm not, but maybe there is somebody who might get value from what I'm doing. Maybe not everybody, but for somebody, right, sitting in a tier 3 city with no access is
Correct.
probably watching this conversation, and उसके लिए सब new है. उसके लिए ये सब this might be life changing for somebody. For somebody this might be कि हाँ यार 50% चीजें अच्छी थी, 50% चीजें were repetition. But for that one kid ना, sitting in that city, for whom this can actually be the trigger of something, आप उसके लिए कर रहे हो.
Correct.
And that's what it is all about.
Yeah, if it builds even one mind,
Yeah.
builds to become better, we are good.
Yeah.
We are good. So इसमें भी मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. And now you will be like, what is this Poonam podcast में पूरा ही किताब हो गया. But that is what I like to do. Before I jump onto one section, which is like, you know, people love to know, is the viewers' choice questions.
Yeah.
I want you to little bit spend some time on this amazing thing. Silent signals की हमने बात कर ली है. The 3 laws of resonance. Very powerful concept.
Yeah, I think resonance होता क्या है, right? Like we first need to fully understand if I am somebody, there is a value that I bring to the world. It needs to, मतलब किसी के दिमाग में चमकना चाहिए, basically. That's what the funda is, right? Like somebody needs to know कि यार Poonam is great at this, and whenever I have a problem like this, she's going to be the first person that I call. That resonance needs to be created in your head. So of course you create some frameworks and you create some laws कि यार ठीक है, make sure you have silent signals, make sure you start at a belief system, and then धीरे धीरे you go to a belonging system. देखो, एक तो belief system ये है कि when Poonam is talking, I feel like she gets me. Then there is a larger level where you feel कि यार she actually solving my problem in life कि through the stuff that she's doing. Then there is the like the सबसे ऊपर वाला tier कि she makes me believe that I can also do this. Right? So हर level पे अलग level की resonance है. That's what you need to feel. और ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि आप बिल्कुल top level पे पहले चले जाओ. That's why it's a pyramid.
Correct. Yeah, yeah.
Because you need to do more at the bottom. You need to solve more problems before you start giving gyan.
Absolutely.
That's what I think resonance is truly about.
And this then moves into the bracket of reputation shedding.
Yes.
Most fail at it.
हाँ, reputation
इसको
shedding
डिफाइन
ना,
करिए ना रेपुटेशन शेडिंग को.
देखो क्या होता है ना कि अगर आपका देखो if you're in the social media game, if one kind of content ends up doing well, कि for
Correct.
example spiritual religious content is doing well, तो you are stuck and cursed to do the same thing again and again and again. But sometimes you feel यार अरे मेरे को नहीं करने का यार, मेरे को I want to do something else यार, I want to do something more controversial, more fun, more aligned to what I want to do.
हाँ.
बट आपकी रेपुटेशन बन गई है कि यार इसके चैनल पे तो बढ़िया माइंड बॉडी सोल का मिलेगा हमें कंटेंट. तो समटाइम्स यू नीड टू शेड दैट रेपुटेशन rather than doing something for the audience liking it, right? Sometimes you need to be like, yeah, ठीक है, it's a conscious decision. This may not get the number of views or metrics or everything else which everything else does, but I want to do things which I genuinely love because that love will show. And even if you're doing the 100th video on spirituality and your mind is not into it, वो भी दिख जाएगा.
वो तो दिख जाएगा.
हाँ, so that kind of reputation shedding needs to continuously happen. You should just shed the skin of the last season कि यार okay अभी कुछ अलग करना है ताकि आपको मजा आता रहे creative process में.
You're right. You know, when I am enjoying it, people watching it are also going to enjoy it. Now,
Yeah.
if this book you enjoyed writing with all your might,
Yeah,
तो रीडर को भी मजा ही आ रहा है ना उतना.
I enjoyed this a lot यार. Like to be honest, like when I wrote my first book, see your first book is vanity.
थोड़ा प्रेशर भी होता है ना फर्स्ट बुक में.
नहीं, actually the other way around for me.
ओके.
Generally होता है, right? Because first book was vanity. मेरे को लगा कौन पढ़ेगा यार.
हाँ.
Again imposter syndrome, right? ये कौन ही पढ़ेगा. आपने बुक लिख लिया, that's enough. मेरे को लगा कि ठीक है यार, मम्मी डैडी बोलेंगे यार बेटे ने कुछ करके देखा. I think that's enough for me, right? But then the thing is, it ended up doing well. People started reading it. Then I was like, यार अरे लोग तो actually पढ़ रहे हैं, अभी क्या करने का. Then that makes the second one more pressure.
But in less than 2 years, 2 books out.
1 year.
Wow.
So
कैसे?
I think no yaar, I think when I
What's
figure
your
out
reading habit like? Reading and writing habit?
yeah, my reading habit has become significantly better ever since I left Amazon. I think I've started getting slightly more time on my hands, and when you're a startup owner, of course, you get to manage your time and your energy in a much more clinical way. So you can do that. So yeah, I read a couple of hours a day minimum. And I've gone through triple digit number of books this year.
Wow.
But I've started reading fiction after a very long time. So पहले सिर्फ non fiction पढ़ता, then I was like
I really want to get into fiction because you know.
मैं 10 साल के बाद वापस आ रहा हूँ फिक्शन के अंदर. I was like there's maybe more of me thinking कि यार non fiction पढ़ना चाहिए, it needs to give you stuff, but then I have 10 years of catching up to do. So मैं तो I'm just reading a lot of volume and all fun stuff. So I read a lot. My writing is actually very fast, but I take a lot of time to decide what to write. So I'll take a lot of time to figure out, okay, what's the right thing for me to say? How do I design a reader experience? Right? Like I'm very careful about the reader experience.
Of course,
It's
marketing
like,
brain.
हाँ, मतलब वैसे that's how you think of it. Like
TG.
देखो, a book needs to be ना thought of like a YouTube video.
हाँ.
कि अगर retention नहीं आई ना तो तुम्हारी गलती है.
Correct.
So it needs to hook people properly. It needs to make sure that there's a certain completion rate which needs to happen. There's a certain value exchange. जो हम YouTube video के बारे में सोचते हैं ना, same concept से like that's how I think about books. It needs to deliver value in
See,
a
it's much
palatable
more
form.
relaxed because there was a time when we were doing TV ads, 30 seconds mein you have to deliver everything.
Absolutely.
I feel very comfortable because, you know, when people say podcasting or YouTube is difficult, I said there was a time when large stake, large budgets, 30 second
30
mein
seconds.
your ad is on the TV and it has to translate into sales. ये तो zero pressure है.
Yeah.
From where we are coming to.
Absolutely. No, I feel the same thing with short form video. कुछ वो तो है because a 20-second short form video can change your fortunes overnight.
Yeah,
अगर वो viral हो गया, hit हो गया तो concepts तो I think have traveled so far, but yeah, I
and
think
so does creativity.
so I think the fundas are the same, yaar. Whether you are writing a book, you're doing a video, long form, short form, the fundamental of human psychology तो same ही है ना. इट्स जस्ट ह्यूमंस इंटरेक्टिंग विद अदर ह्यूमंस. आई थिंक हम बहुत लाइक भूल जाते हैं कि यार एल्गोरिदम है, ऑडियंस है, ट्रेंड है. Like, सब जूम आउट करके देखो क्या है. यू आर सेइंग समथिंग टू समबडी.
हाँ.
A TV ad, a YouTube video, a book, everything is the same. Content. That's what it is. So sometimes the simplicity of that ना हम भूल जाते हैं. So it helps to be a marketer because you're trained to think like that.
Correct.
You're trained to think like
Mental training has happened.
Mental training आपकी है कि you know कि what it needs to do.
Correct.
Because marketing है तो क्या है? It's just you're creating a stimulus for some behavior, attitude change in somebody's head.
Take an action.
Yeah, take an action, right?
So, हरिंदर, अभी तक हमने जितनी बात की है वो ये वाला फ्लेवर थोड़ा कम है. You know, we have this is your book, but then of course I am going to now rapid fire नहीं है, but then more than that because these are very hard hitting questions and I'm starting with a very hard hitting question.
Let's go for it.
Yeah. And the way your book is audacious, the way you have to be audacious in answering it.
Absolutely.
So this is a segment what we call viewers' choice questions.
I'll try my best.
What are these questions? When we tell people that we will be sitting with this author, and you know, when publishers also reach out to us, when we pick up a book, किसी का क्या interest है, and of course इसमें तो बहुत questions आए हैं. Reason being, a lot of my fraternity is also marketing fraternity. But the first question is very difficult. And already heads up मैं दे ही रही हूँ.
जी.
You had spoken about the culture for Reliance.
Yeah.
Which I don't want to repeat because it's already there.
Yeah.
Your last organization, Amazon.
Yes.
And Reddit is flooded with culture in Amazon.
Yeah. What do you want to ask me?
Sachai, truth.
Yeah, I think Amazon.
कहाँ फंस जाते हैं लोग culture में?
Amazon is a fantastic company. देखो.
वो नहीं सुनना.
नहीं, हाँ, अच्छी बात ये है कि fantastic company. दिक्कत ये है. What I feel, this is just my observation, is that they are very brilliant people who are very hardworking. So they're two different things. One is being brilliant, coming from pedigree, and then also being able to work 14-16 hours a day. ऐसा combination है talent का. But then some of the things which they are put through, कि बेचारे डॉक लिख रहे हैं यार, वो डॉक्यूमेंट लिखी जा रहे हैं, पीपीटी बनाए जा रहे हैं, या वर्कशीट के ऊपर स्टेटस अपडेट पे मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं पूरे दिन.
पर ये तो एआई कर सकता है ना? जेमिनी कैन हेल्प विद दैट.
I feel there's so much of program management being done, at least in the part of the company that I saw, right? I can't speak for the entire company. It's a global company. The part of the company which I saw, which was a certain part of the org, I think if you have very highly competent people, because there are higher barriers to entry, right? They have a very sophisticated hiring process. Not everybody can get in. Once you get in, और उसके बाद आप उसको suboptimally उस human resource को utilize करोगे, तो बहुत सारे लोग frustrate हो जाएंगे. You can't put golden handcuffs all the time. राइट वो हर टाइम नहीं चलता कि वो जैसे ही मुंह खोले उसके मुंह में और स्टॉक डाल दो. वो नहीं चलेगा देखो. ठीक है. बट आई थिंक समटाइम्स देयर इज मोर प्रोसेस देन प्रोग्रेस इन सम कंपनीज. और वो एक इट्स नॉट Amazon or Reliance, it's a symptom of so many large companies कि the process is more important than the progress that you're creating. और उसमें बहुत लोग frustrate हो जाते हैं.
But as I said in the beginning, वो तो एक elephant है जिसको move करने के लिए you have to be in that process.
I think so.
तो Reliance और Amazon में क्या फर्क था from a culture point of view? Why Reddit is full of so many, you know, anonymous things about the culture?
ये देखो politics हर जगह है. Reliance में भी politics है, Amazon में भी politics है. Maybe Amazon में politics English में होती है. Maybe that is the only difference. So I just feel those are they are not very different. I think Reliance is extremely meritocratic, contrary to popular perception. Like I said earlier, if you make money for them, they'll make money for you. I think Amazon is fantastic if you're somebody who thrives in structure and process.
Yeah.
But if you're somebody who wants to quote, move fast and break things, it may not be the best place. Because of it being a giant, your ability to take quick, audacious calls is diminished. काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो छोटे स्टार्टअप्स ने 5 साल 10 साल पहले की हुई हैं जो आप अभी डॉक लिख रहे हो. It gets frustrating for any young person. Reliance is good because there is no pretense, there is no PR. They're like कि बहुत पैसा बनाने का है और कुछ नहीं करने का. which eventually you warm up to कि at least there is a singularity and purity of intention. उसमें कोई layers नहीं है, उसमें कोई corporate jargon नहीं है, उसमें ये है कि boss we are a revenue company. We have to chase scale by hook or crook, which you like sometimes कि यार at least pretense नहीं है, singular objective से लोग काम कर रहे हैं, which
बहुत
I like.
तारीफ कर ली अभी आपने.
नहीं है मतलब, and like I said, that may not be for everybody, right? Because if you might feel कि यार I like to be in a very sanitized environment where people talk a certain way and
Where would you
people
get that environment? I think it is very utopian world thinking. There's no
नहीं मिलता
real
यार,
world में
देखो
कहाँ मिलेगा
देखो नहीं
आपको?
मिलता. In some global multinational, say even finance companies or consulting companies, I see people they are sanitized environment, but वहाँ under the
वो
क्या
sanitized boardrooms में ही होता है. I think
हाँ.
अगर होता है तो the
I think
moment you are out.
under the surface ना वहाँ बहुत चीजें चल रही है. It's see, as a person, for me it's better to see the ugliness in an organization on the face. अगर वो पीछे चल रही है तो फिर ज़्यादा दिक्कत है. So which happens. So I'm saying it just happens everywhere. You just have to select what's good for you. If you have a animosity towards seeing something के मेरे को दिख रहा है aggression और आप उस टाइप के नहीं हो तो फिर
not
maybe
for
it's
you.
not the company for you.
Correct.
But if you're not the person if you're more uncomfortable with the aggression being hidden, then it's the perfect company for you.
I like that. Very well put. And this clearly gives demarcation,
हाँ.
of course.
It's मतलब वही you have to figure out who you are, right? And then figure out if that company is
Plug
right for you.
yourself in.
हाँ. You can't say like कोई मेरे से पूछता ना यार अच्छा कल्चर क्या होता है अच्छा कल्चर यार? It's your life stage and who you are as a person, and that
Whether
being
you are fitting into that or not.
हाँ.
It's your fit.
And for some people they click into place. अगर for example अगर मैं पूरी जिंदगी मैंने हल्दीराम में काम किया, राइट? आई हैव बीन इन अ लाला कंपनी कि जिसमें आपको सैल्यूट करना है, आपको अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बोलनी है, लाला जी के बेटे को आपको बोलना है अरे सर आपने तो कमाल कर दिया. इफ़ यू आर इन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सेटअप फॉर 20 years of your life and you've become great at that, then you will hate going to a meritocratic MNC.
Correct.
There is no good culture, bad culture. Then might as well to exploit your skill sets which you've developed in 20 years in Amazon, in Haldiram, you should go to another Lala company and exploit those talents and that skill set that you've developed.
Because that muscle is built now.
वो muscle build हो गया ना, आपको तो उसको monetize करो फिर.
Nice. I like it. Okay, so these viewers' choice questions are most of the floating questions, थोड़े से, because they will come with your contribution in the corporate world and the business world, आपकी expertise की, which will help a lot of people.
Let's go for
So,
it.
what exactly makes 999 feel cheaper than 1000? Is it really just ₹1 or something deeper in our brain wiring?
Yeah, there's research out there to say how we look at numbers. It's always left to right and everything, and bigger number and small number, and there's enough research about it, and you can Google and look for it also. But it's not that ₹1. Like Bata has been exploiting this forever.
Yeah.
Right? 799 का जूता वो 800 का नहीं है. So like even like this book is 499. Why is it not 500? Right? Most of the time we see through it, but the way our brain is primed to look at information, it's always that. So like when I was heading Diesel ka marketing, there's one experiment that we did. Now Diesel ka average denim is about say 20,000 rupees. It's an expensive denim, right? So हमें 25% off चलाना चाहिए या हमें 5,000 off चलाना चाहिए, right? Now take a guess, which one would have worked more? 25% off coupon or rupees 5,000 off coupon?
25%, which is lower, but then
नहीं दोनों सेम
number
है.
बड़ा है.
फंक्शनली तो दोनों सेम है. 5,000 का ही डिस्काउंट है, बट एक में मैं बोल रहा हूँ रुपी ऑफ है, एक में % ऑफ है.
तो फिर I think रुपी वाला people will pick up.
Absolutely.
Because इसमें straight आपको दिख रहा है.
Absolutely. So that's what. So even though functionally the discount is the same, but every time we did the rupee off, it did well. So 99 और 1000 में कोई फर्क है नहीं. But
नहीं क्या फर्क है of course.
कुछ भी नहीं है, right? So you have to sometimes understand कि यार we are irrational beings. 5,000 का डिस्काउंट उसमें भी है, उसमें भी है.
I think हम irrational भी हैं और lazy भी हैं ना. 25% में मुझे calculate करना पड़ेगा. उसमें मेरा एक step बढ़ रहा है. My mind is going to feel like it's a job. अच्छा 5,000 का मैं straight down ले लो.
तो हमने 5,000 के कूपन बना के we started sending it to key customers. Nice, beautifully.
When was
put,
this? Why didn't I get it?
So we put
To
like
all the customers, like you were
no,
sending.
not to all. To select customers.
Select
Like, this was an
group.
experiment, like which kind goes to, you send nice cards and everything, which looks like something you don't want to throw.
Yeah.
So they came back and redeemed. So the thing is, it seems like perceived cash.
Correct.
So 99 perceives to be cheaper than 100, because it's an irrational thing that our brains do. वो है तो use करो.
That's why psychology of marketing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why do people hate the idea of personal branding yet desperately want recognition? What is the psychology behind that contradiction?
Yeah, we see the benefits of being seen. We don't want to be anonymous, no. We know that if I am seen, more doors will open for me. But I don't want to make the effort which so-called personal branding takes. Like, I don't want to brand myself. Like, this word, no, personal branding has become a swear word.
I swear.
It's like, जैसे networking है ना, है बहुत अच्छी चीज, but वो
Connotation is now gone
हाँ.
little somewhere else only.
that word gives you an allergic reaction. So similarly for personal branding, कि है बहुत अच्छी चीज, but just that it's been so misutilized and missold to people.
Hammered on your face all
Yeah,
the
कि
time.
personal brand बनाओ. क्या होता है यार personal brand? कुछ नहीं होता. People need to know who you are, what you're great at. And that doesn't mean you need to go and start doing things which are uncomfortable. So people want the benefits, but they want it in an original, non-pretentious way.
Correct. I think the world will move towards this. Is there a scientifically correct way to identify your unfair advantage, or is it trial and error?
I think it's a combination of both, right? So, for example, in the book, we give a 4-step process, and all of these are not कि सपने में शिवजी आए थे process बताने, right? It's not. It's like all of these are individual research papers. So I've said कि okay, let's just combine 4 of these and just see what comes out on the other end. So it's like a funnel.
Yeah.
So first research paper, second research paper, third, उसको हमने बहुत simplify करके, what I've done is I've just said कि for example narrative, identity or flow state analysis and stuff like that. आपको research paper नहीं पढ़ना. You just have to do the prompt and just do it. And once you've put a combination of these ideas, of these scientific ideas,
Correct.
then you'll come closer to the answer.
Correct.
It's never कि यूरेका हुआ और मेरे को समझ आ गया. It'll always be you'll come closer to the answer than what you were at the beginning. And then maybe you need to run the process again. That's why it's a loop. कि आज मैं थोड़ा और clear हूँ. Maybe after 6 months I ask myself the same questions. Maybe I'll become slightly more clearer.
Correct.
So it needs to be a combination of science as well as a little bit of hunch.
Very well put. How much does culture, especially Indian conditioning, influence our visibility and confidence? Short, ekdam. You have already addressed it.
Yeah, I think we limit ourselves a lot, right? Because our parents also taught us this, ना यार कि काम करो, फल की इच्छा मत करो, सर नीचे रख के काम करते रहो, लोग आएंगे. A large part of that are the old economy ideals which have passed on from our parents to us.
Correct.
Nothing wrong in that. उसमें कुछ बुरा नहीं है. But the thing is, they worked for a different economy. We are not in that economy anymore. We are in a very different stage.
Very highly
So-
competitive one.
हाँ, so उसमें हम same concepts नहीं लगा सकते. So that's why some of the conditionings of the Indian education system or the Indian parenting upbringing, कुछ चीज, majority of the things are absolutely fantastic, which makes us a great economy and great people.
Correct.
But कुछ चीजें आपको clinically देखनी है यार कि ये चीज शायद मेरे को limit कर रही है, and I need to let go of it.
True. Why do discounts, urgency banners, limited offers, and countdown timers work so powerfully even though we know they are tactics? Same logic?
हाँ, absolutely, right? It doesn't matter whether we know or not. Even if I'm an enlightened person as a marketer, right? You're an enlightened person, you know about discounts and offers and triggers and psychology and FOMO and everything. But Nykaa पे आप जाते हो ना, उसमें लिखा होता है one item left. तो FOMO तो होता है ना.
हाँ, होता है.
Even though like you have decades of marketing experience and you have used the same techniques on so many people. So that doesn't make any of us immune to it.
Correct.
It's because most of the time when we are making purchase decisions, we are actually engaging our subconscious mind.
That's what, na, the mind is only making decisions. You just
हाँ.
kind of follow and remove the credit or debit card from the pocket.
Absolutely. मतलब आप उसको एक्टिव थॉट दे ही नहीं रहे.
Active नहीं दे रहे हो, हाँ.
एक्टिव थॉट दोगे तो फिर आप थ्योरी लगाओगे.
हाँ.
एक्टिव थॉट नहीं दे रहे तो ऑटो मोड पे चल रहा है. Then you're like it's fine. This looks good. Let's go for it.
Yeah. See, the entire FOMO marketing is now on Myntra.
Yeah.
Complete FOMO marketing. I mean, it's a crime to be even just looking at something because then sold out, gone.
One item left कि
One
पूरी
left.
पृथ्वी पे आखिरी ड्रेस थी.
आखिरी थी, oh, you have not bought.
हाँ, और ये नहीं ड्रेस है तो
ना।
पूरी लाइफ फेलियर है आपकी. हाँ, तो हम भी तो ये यूज करते हैं ना यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है एज
मैं
कंज्यूमर्स.
भी इसमें फंसी हूँ.
हाँ, मैं रोज फंसता हूँ यार, इसमें क्या.
मैं कई बार फंसी
आई हैव
हूँ.
रिटन अ बुक ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड आई गेट फूल्ड एवरी डे यार. यू शो मी एवरीथिंग, आई एम लाइक द मोस्ट गलेबल पर्सन. आई विल बी लाइक कि हाँ, ओ हाँ, व्हाई नॉट, हियर्स माय मनी.
No,
So
seriously, you fall in this trap. So
we all do.
Myntra is not going to like it, but the notifications are so humanly created, and
Yeah.
hats off to their marketing teams. Really,
Yes.
if you have the app now, they have it. You will be giving into their ask. What I do, I want to buy something. मैं डाउनलोड करती हूँ, खरीदती हूँ, फिर उसको अनस्टॉल करती हूँ.
Perfect strategy. That's
Mantra is not going to like it.
a good cheat code for people to save money.
But marketing is really good. Push notifications are so intelligent.
Yes.
You know, they're intelligent. How do introverts build visibility without feeling like they're performing or pretending?
Start with a small circle. Social media is not your answer.
Yeah.
Maybe your answer is to build that one Excel sheet which the other team will also use.
So 20 pages in the book are addressing that.
That's enough. That's enough.
What is the psychology behind impulse buying? Are marketers exploiting weaknesses or fulfilling desires?
Exploiting weaknesses, yeah, let's be very honest. Fulfilling desires, हाँ, PPT में हम लिखते हैं कि हम we are connecting the right customer to the right product, but no, we are exploiting weakness. No, it's how we're doing it. Sometimes there is a low involvement category in a low involvement purchase situation. Billing counter पे chewing gum रख दी, chocolates रख दिए, Kinder Joy रख दी. You know your kid is going to get impatient, wants to go home. Take a Kinder Joy, give it to their hand. मतलब करते हैं, सब exploit करते हैं. Everyone does it. तो why not? Why not?
Is the minimum viable self similar to Ikigai, or is it fundamentally different?
I think all of these concepts flow into each other, right? In a way, it's about finding what you're great at and putting it in front of the world, right? Ikigai is also about finding what you're great at, what gives you energy, what people are willing to pay for you. So it is a combination of those things. I think the minimum viable self, actually, the big difference is that it's not one answer. You might have different identities for different people. Your founder identity might be different from your writer identity, which might be different from your whatever, right? Like the 10 things that you do. So for each of them, you need to pull out a part of you and give. Like even at work, we might have multiple identities, right?
Yeah.
My colleagues my batchmates who have become colleagues, उनके साथ में कोई और हूँ,
Different camera
बॉस के साथ कोई और हूँ, और
हाँ.
वॉचमैन के साथ कोई और हूँ. So at work, I have 3 identities.
Yeah.
So MVS, so Ikigai is about one answer. कि what is your Ikigai is a singular answer. MVS is कि you have all of these parts of you. You figure out which part of you want to present to the world for that audience.
Rationally and
Clinically.
using all your prefrontal cortex with plan.
हाँ,
This is
plan
what
based.
I'm going to project.
Intention के साथ.
Intention के साथ. तो वो define करना जरूरी है.
Okay, your Poonam's founder identity is this. Poonam's corporate identity is that.
Yeah.
Poonam's creator identity is something
that.
different. Now, those other skills which you have as a marketer or as a founder, they may not translate into this. So आपको करना कि यार, this is the combination. ये वाला इसके लिए, ये वाला उसके लिए. I think that's what MVS is.
Very well explained. MVS is a fantastic concept. I think that should go in your MBA schools also. We are not teaching our people. The last question, what will marketing look like in the next 5 years with AI? Will consumer behavior change or just the tools? What's your view?
Nothing will change.
अरे
Nothing will change. I am very clear on this.
इतने tools आ रहे हैं, people are going mad.
ये टूल आते रहेंगे, जाते रहेंगे, मीडियम आते रहेंगे, जाते रहेंगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Human beings have the same material, the same dark matter between our ears, and that will not change. मतलब it's been the same for millions of years. It will remain the same for millions of years. We will still get attracted by attention, danger, titillation. वो जो basic चीजें हैं of influence and persuasion will continue to be the same. हाँ, वो ये है कि रेडियो आया, रेडियो गया, टीवी आया, टीवी गया, OTT आया. That will keep happening. The medium choice will change. The tool choice will change. Marketing, in the fundamental, most purest form, will remain the same as long as the human brain remains the same. In case we are creating androids of ourselves by planting brain chips, things will change.
Things will change.
But अगर हम ऐसे हैं तो ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Nothing will change.
Meta is trying to read your thoughts and put them in the form of a text. What's your view?
All for it. All for it. I think.
Actually, all for it. You know, एक किताब आप हो सकता है एक दिन में आपकी किताब बाहर आ गई.
Yeah, could be.
Sometimes
could
I
be.
feel.
I think with any technological intervention, right, you feel that there's a lot of good which can happen, there's a lot of ugliness which can also happen, and they all need to coexist together.
With ethical challenges.
So internet bana and internet brought in so many new things into the world, but it also created a dark underbelly.
Yeah.
So I'm sure something like that which Meta does or anybody else does, it will have both sides and both of them will coexist. तो उसमें good bad नहीं है. वो आएगा तो सब होंगे. There'll be contra uses, there'll be amazing uses, सब होगा. Like any other technology.
What's next for Harinder?
Yeah, first of all, अभी थोड़ा time to just looking forward to getting this book in the hands of more and more people. I read it after a few months for the first time. Since the book went into print, I haven't read it. So I read it for the first time. I was like, yeah, humility aside, it's quite good. अच्छी किताब है. It's actually useful. So I want more and more people to read it.
Yeah.
Want to continue growing in terms of the impact that we are creating for marketers and e-commerce professionals through the startup that I'm building. Would definitely want to write more.
Yeah.
Because that enables me to talk to more people like yourself, meet new people, be a small, tiny part of their journeys, and that's what keeps me excited. So,
I really hope, बिल्कुल, I really hope आप लिखिए और हम podcast करेंगे, and I really hope that every marketer is at least, it's a very easy read, so thank you for writing this book. This is the book, guys, and we will put a beep. Who the are you? So go and pick it up, because this is going to give little more confidence in your life, in your culture, in your way of presenting yourself, your personal branding, how you should be branding, not branding, everything, the cringe to be aside and the real human to be out for all the success that you want.
Thank you so
Harinder,
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the PVT Show podcast. I am your host, Poonam Vijay Thakkar. On this show, I bring to you conversations with leading authors and top leaders who energize the mind, challenge the norms, and awaken a purpose. It's all about conscious growth with one powerful book and one powerful story at a time.